you don't listen. You were sweating in the neon light. It was a coin lost in the system's maze. A vision as a room for freedom was my way to survive. The crash, the dupes, they burn it all away. Neon streets, standing here, we're block to block. Flickering screens, no safe to avoid. Big cities still surviving day by day. Will you ever break free from the chains that fiat made? Tonight, burning money, feel the burning money. Spending these lonely nights, taking more. Tonight, burning money, touch me, burning money. Show me your digital stash, burning cash. I'll never trust the system, judging or hear the lies. If you keep saying it's all going fine. No more banks, no more chains to bind, keeping us enslaved. Tell me how to break free from this night. Neon streets, standing here, we're block to block. Flickering screens, no safe to avoid. Big cities still surviving day by day. Will you ever break free from the chains that fiat made? Tonight, burning money, feel the burning money. Spending these lonely nights, taking more. Tonight, burning money, touch me, burning money. Show me your digital stash, burning cash. Tonight, burning money, feel the burning money. Feel the burning nights, taking more. Tonight, burning money, touch me, burning money. Show me your digital stash, burning cash. Tonight, burning money, feel the burning money. Tonight.
Burning circuits raised by flames, replaying nightmare games. Soul past the blocks and chains. Now we ride the collection trains. No gods, no gold, just lines of code. No fate, no foe, we overload. Die, no in between. comply. Lesser mixed and battle scarred. Freedom's mine, not handed hard. Thinking clash will wreck compile. Rising loud in cyber style. Burn or die, resistance code. Burn the banks, explode the node. We're not sheep, we redefine. In crypto dark, we see the sign. Co-accepted. Chaos initialized.
Are we in the bull market yet? How's it going, guys? How's it going? It's the Crypto Otaku yet back again for some more crypto chaos and the news. How's it going, guys? How's it going? Oh boy. We're still breathing. We're still breathing. How's it going, everyone? Cliff right out the gate with a $10 super chat. Thank you, my guy, for supporting the chaos. Damn. Numero uno too. Oh my gosh. Hey, how's it going? I'm here on time. Yes, you're here on time. Hey guy, how's it going? Yes, Boy Nebs is here as well. Yeah, also here on time. No push-ups for you guys today. Yeah, lucky you. Matt Adams says I threw some more money down in the Jackson hole. It has not come back yet. No, no one hasn't. I did a little bit today too. It's not doing too bad yet. Not doing too bad. YouTube, what is that? I'm not sure what that link is for. I'm clicking on links, guys. Oh no.
Hey everyone, geophysicist on.
What is this? Plasma. All right. Are you guys seeing the new Coinbase update? According to Nebs, there's a new Coinbase update. Are you referring to the? I'm not sure which one you're talking about. Oh my God. Are you referring to the new Base app, like the app? I still haven't gotten that update yet on my phone. Or are you referring to something else? Hell yeah, Nebs. Oh yes. C-Story says. Oh yeah. Back to Cliff. Taco fam, should we be having some nodes and crypto on Faraday bags? What? For the time of the coming months, Faraday bags. What the heck is a Faraday bag? I don't know what that is, my guy. Yeah, millions of new assets available. Says that boy Nebs. Oh, you're talking about Coinbase's initiative to become like the everything app, right? So they have like, not only they have they're the approved assets, they'll have the non-approved assets, like the early startup coins, and then also like derivatives and futures contracts and stocks and everything. They're gonna become the everything app. Yes, that's right. Nebs says something about Coinbase on base tokens. Let's go XCN and go Myria. All of my bags. Time to fly. When? When are we gonna fly? Come on, you know the answer.
When will then be now? Soon.
Oh, geez. Soon, guys. Soon. It's coming soon. Yes, the coins available on the base is not the advance. Still very bullish. Anyone with money and dumb enough will not to know any better, will put money in random stuff off exchange tokens like Myria and XDB. Yes, it'd be nice to get all those in our bags on the actual app and not have to go through second-party wallets. Yo, Mr. White, is it all season yet? No. The answer is still the same. Soon. Soon. Today will become Bull Family. The Bull Family. Guys, hit the likes and you misfits, Miriam Misfits, Jake the Snake demands it. That's right, Jake in the house. How's it going, Jake? How's it going? If you are new, what is going on with my... Yes, if you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button down below. We're trying to shill harder every single day. The snake demands it, guys. The snake demands it. I shill harder. Jesus, this freaking Godzilla sticker is perfect. all right. Yeah, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, guys. Gamma God's coming in quick with a $2 super chat. Thank you, Gamma, for supporting the chaos. Telling everyone, of course, good evening, and Chaos family, let's get this money. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. It's coming. I can taste it. Maybe that's not what I taste. It's something mildew or mold in the air. I don't know. Anyway, let's get back into it. Yo, Mr. White. Yeah, it's coming. Hit the lights, guys. Yes. Yo, Matt Adam back again. Yes, Matt Adam's back in the house. Yes. Still breathing. Grabbing the digital bull by the horns. Took my orange vitamins as well. Dude, I'm telling you, man. You're giving me some ideas now for a new song. I'm gonna get back to making music again. Yeah, definitely gonna need to do like a bull season or alt season. But yeah, something like that. You give me vibes, man. You give me vibes. Strawberry Dragons is also here. How's it going, Strawberry? Good evening. Crypto market is bipolar for sure. And Neb says, I clicked the link. Lots of lube. God, I still don't know what the hell I'm looking at, my man. I'm not sure what. I probably should stop that. Clicking on random links. But, you guys are cool. Anyway, getting into it, guys. We're getting into it. Let's get into this stuff and things. Let's get the dancing mascots out of here. Get the show on the road. All right. Yeah, greased up Neb guy. Yeah, that's totally Nebs, man. Totally Nebs. Okay, so yeah, again, last night, guys, we were calling for a baseline bull. We didn't get the bull, but we got the baseline. Landed right on top of our baseline. By the end of the day, a little bit above our baseline target. It's looking pretty good. We're melting a little upward, as everything is still oversold. Exactly what I told you guys yesterday. What could happen? We could actually climb this back up and still make another leg down. So don't get too comfortable just yet. We could still do something like this into Friday, right? Into Friday. Another M pattern. Another M pattern. Boy, oh boy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That I'm not clicking on that link, man. Crazy. You get me every time, though. Oh, jeez. All right, guys. So that's what we're looking at for Bitcoin in terms of price action right now. Let's take a look over at Kim by the White Snowland on YouTube. Anime reference for those who know. Of course, bringing you the live heat map for free. Don't pay something for free, guys. Every single day.
What are you, stupid?
Just Oscar there to remind you, save your hard-earned dollars because you're gonna need them. You're gonna need them for a little while longer. So yeah, we do still have. I'm starting to remember what this thing is called. What is this thing called again? Oh yeah, bull. We're getting a little bit of bullish activity. A little bit. I wouldn't get too excited again just quite yet. We still have about an hour until the markets really start to open. The foreign markets are still kind of opening right now. Japan just opened, and we had some good news out of Japan this morning. If you guys caught the live this morning, Japan announced that Toyota announced that they're going to be working with Avalanche for their monitoring organizational network, MON, their MON, something like that. So pretty cool stuff there. Yeah, Ramona coming in with a $5 super chat. Thank you, Ramona, for supporting the channel. And more importantly, the chaos. Have you guys taken your orange pills today? Oh my god. What are you doing? I don't know how you survive without taking these things. All right. Yeah, hit the yes. Of course, hit the likes, guys. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe. We're trying to get the show up to 1,000 subs before the bull run. All right. Don Judemu. We're learning for the Luna. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, well, I'm not sure what you're talking about there. Don Jude man. Okay, I took red pills. Perez, you're close, but they're supposed to be orange, my guy. They're supposed to be orange. Oh shit, man. Mom's home and I forgot to take the chicken out of the freezer. Oh, you're a dead man now. Yeah, Jake. You're done, my guy. You're done. All right. So many orange pills that I am an Oompa Loompa. Nice. Exactly where you need to be. All right. So what are we looking at here? Of course, every single day we take a look at where the current order books are sitting at for Bitcoin in terms of bullish activity. It's not looking too great. We're still range bound. Why can't I zoom in here? What in the world's going on? There we go. Okay, guys. So yeah, still sitting pretty much in the same spot we were yesterday. We did wipe out everything on top, but the downside is over time we have pretty much wiped out everything below us as well. So we've left pretty much all the open shorts, all the shorts and the longs open now, from 110,000 to 130,000, 120,000. Let's just say 120. Yeah, it's starting to build there stronger anyway. So we're kind of stuck with our pants down underneath 110. So we're pretty much clearly range bound and still a bearish trend to the downside and a parallel channel. Let's throw that on the board real quick just to give that some life on the charts. There we go. And I can probably zoom out a little bit and show you what I'm talking about. Oh boy, here we go again, guys. It's just so fun. All this bearish action is just so much fun. Hopefully you're paying attention to what's down and you're buying up some of this dip before it's gone. Why can't I grab this damn thing? I think I have a never-ending. Yeah, I have a never-ending one on. Okay, that's why. All right, something like this. Something like that could work. Maybe a little higher. Right about there. There it is. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much covering the whole thing. So yeah, hopefully we can break out of here soon, guys. This does not look good. It does not look good. Again, similar thing could happen. We could run this up like we did today and still bring it down for Jackson Hole on Friday. Again, that's my general idea. That's what I see. Hopefully, and then Ben, you're just out of here. You're done, Ben. I'm gonna get rid of that $132,000 Bitcoin. Yeah, maybe a little bit down the road, not here. We're also going to be taken away from taken out of what was that, the 22nd? That's on Friday. You never know. We could get a rip on Friday. I forgot who was it. Neb? Was it you put this on the board for your friend or something? Always kind, be always kind, or was it Matt Adam? I forget who that was. Miss Cleo can't save us now. No one can. That's right. That's right, Matt. That's right. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Morpheus gave me a choice of red or blue pill. Red all day, baby, says Gamma. Yeah, she wants to see how far that rabbit hole goes. 100%, 100%. Yeah, just like Alice. All right, guys, we're going to get back into the news. We're going to get through all the metrics and things. I got some stuff pulled up to talk about today. Why can I not get this? Okay, there. I'm clicking on the wrong screens. Okay. All right. So, yeah, that's what we're looking at. We'll be back here in a minute anyway. Okay. U.S. national debt sitting at $37,257 billion. Can't stop, won't stop printing that money. Yeah, it goes on and on, my friends. On and on, my friends. We have a new poly market bet today. This one popped up today. It's Democratic presidential nominee of 2028. Gavin Newsom currently winning that. I don't think there's anyone who could really oppose it. He's the only one that's kind of relevant, even though he's very much hated in his own state of California. Yeah, 27% Gavin Newsom. Good luck, good luck. Fear and Greed Index currently sitting at 56, just barely ending in greed in the stock market today. We are starting to kill this, guys. We're killing it, in not a good way. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much going to end up in neutral tomorrow morning. Again, the Fed minutes didn't come out very positive, and it really was no shocker, right? It really was no shocker. Crypto Fear and Greed Index for Bitcoin and crypto assets sitting still in fear. I think a point lower than it was last night. Let's refresh this because we do not sleep, and I set this up about an hour ago. And boom. Back to neutral. There we go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Not too bad. Not too bad. When's the winning start? U.S. dollar index still hanging out around 98.2. About the same. We haven't really seen much of a difference over the last day or two. So not too shocked on that. A sea of green starting to pop up now as the stock market closed. So it's not looking too bad as of right now. Some coins are coming back with a little bit of a vengeance. Now up 3 to 4%. I don't know about you guys, but I just checked my portfolio before the live stream. Looking pretty okay. I mean, it's still down a bit. Still down a bit more than I'd like, but still not at the worst position I could be at with my portfolio on the year. So all in all, it's not a bad, terrible day today, at least the end of today. The foreign markets look like they want to get the ball rolling again. Probably sell most of this off tomorrow morning, so keep an eye out for that as well. I don't know, a week before I get back into that, I got, of course, recommend you guys, what was I DCing in today? So I bought some Avalanche today. I got so bullish after reading that article, and of course, you guys know I love Japan. So I bought like 10 Avalanche. I might buy another 10 tomorrow. We'll see where the price is at. It's up $1 more today, so I had to make a call, and I'm just like, God, that coin is so undervalued. So undervalued. It's one of my favorite tokens. Again, I talk about it at great length. Avalanche is still. I had a huge bag of it in the bear market, and I'm just needing to start building that back up, maybe a little bit ahead of the bear market. But either way, it's a great project. What else is down on the week? What else is down? A decent amount to pick up some coins. What are you guys DCing in today? Let me know what you guys are doing. Jasmy's still down like 15%. We're looking at the top 200 now. I did slip in, depending on where you look. Jasmy's in the top 200. I don't know why. It's not really if you go to Coin Market Cap. Okay, so yeah, on the top 100 right now, we're looking at some decent pullbacks on the week. Sui's still one of my faves, although it's still up a little bit more than I'd like it to be. I really don't know, guys. Everything's down like basically a blanketed 10 to 15%. There's anything really standing out more than the other in the top 100. So that's on the week. On the month, it's a little different. On the month, still nothing quite more than There's nothing close to 20 or 30% other than meme coins. So I really don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Running out of options. Running out of options. I'd stick to your plan. Just on the top 100 assets, I would stick to your plan. Just keep DCing and what you like. Again, not financial advice. Just telling you what I would do. Top 200 assets is a little different on the week. We do have White Rock pulling back another 20% on the week. Jasmine still down 16% on the week. Zora had just had a huge run, almost 20% off on the week. And that's about it for the big coins. That have any decent pullbacks on just the week. On the month, do you want to buy some meme coins? I mean, it still feels like everything's a little too expensive. There's not XCN. There you go. XCN still down 30% on the month. That'd be my pick right there. In the top 200 assets total, that'd definitely be my it right there. Maybe Mantra if you believe in that. It's down 26. But again, you're getting really in the weeds now at this point. There's really hardly anything left to DCA that's significant. The top 200, that's still down a decent amount, like 20-30% or more. All right, guys. So again, not financial advice. This is what I would do. This is what I would do. Jesus. All right, get the red ones. Get the red ones. 100%. Who said that? Yeah. GG, get red ones. Cliff, I love you, man. I love you. Market cap dominance for Bitcoin still sitting around 60%. A little underneath today. Let's refresh this. I'm pretty sure it's still sitting at 59. 0.4, 0.5, 0.3. Yeah, 0.3. Still a little bit off today. We did return to 60% last night. That was fun. But now we're back down to altcoin season, possibly. And I say that and it just goes up a little bit. We still got a little while to go, guys. A little while to go for altcoin season. Crypto cap, market cap coming up a little bit. Almost at 3.9. Look at this, guys. Almost up $100 billion on the day on market cap. So yeah, here we go, guys. Hopefully we're getting a little bit of a bounce here and altcoins will start to pop off ahead of Jackson Hole. I would love to see that. I think Jackson Hole is going to be a nothing burger as usual, but we'll have to wait and see. Yeah, total market cap. The top 10 assets right now in our space. Anything really moving? Tron flip Doge. I think it's still ahead of it. Yes, it is. XRP flip Tether. That might have been like last week. I don't think that's new, but it wasn't that long ago. 175,000 billion to 167 billion. Tether's catching up though. Who the hell is keeping their money in stablecoins? God damn it. USDC is up to almost 70 million. So they're still 100 million behind Tether. Getting a lot more market adoption though. What else? You have outskirts here. Chainlink holding in number 11. Awesome to see that there. Go Chainlink. Hyperliquid at 12. Stellar at 13. Sui at 14. Down a point this week. And I think that's pretty much it. Thank God something dethroned Bitcoin Cash from 15. That was Athena USDE. That happened on Monday. And Avalanche sitting at 18, Litecoin at 19, and yeah, so on and so forth. So that's the top 20 assets right there. Of course, a daily shout out to Jasmine, still holding in to 96 in market cap. Go, Jasmine, go. Okay, my favorite metric to show you guys every single day, that is, of course, the Bitcoin available on exchanges. This is it. This is all that's left, and we're still sitting at all-time lows. 2.23, the all-time low for Bitcoin on exchanges. Again, get as much as you can before it's too gone. It's all going to be gone, guys. 695,000 of which are sitting on Coinbase right now. Binance holding about 575,000, Bitfinex and Gemini and OKX and yada yada yada. You get the idea. Bitcoin and treasuries, nothing new to see here. Of course, we covered this yesterday, and Michael Saylor bought some more Bitcoin on Monday. Oh, yeah, here we go. Bitcoin still holding number 7 in total assets in the entire world. And then we get into the news. So nothing's really changed too much in metrics today, guys. Just, of course, your daily roundup. Let's get back in the chat one more time before we get into the charts. Jesus. I clicked the link. Lots of lube, says Neb. Oh, my God. Oh, jeez. What sort of dumbass is dumping a YouTube link on the street? Oh my God, Cliff. Yes, grab the digital bull by the horns. Took my orange vitamins. Yes. I think I covered all that stuff there. You're a dead man. Of course, you left the chicken. You didn't take the chicken out. What else we have here? Yes, yeah, the red ones. Yes, get the red ones. What is greed, says Matt Adam. Money me now. Yes, money me now. Still buying Miria. Full steam ahead, packing a big old bag, but still in the red. Damn. Yeah, most of my Miria bags are still in the red too. I bought some Brett like a weirdo, says Matt Adam. Oh man, honey down 20% on the month, 73 on the year. Hoping she stays there for a few seconds more, says Nebs. Greased Up Nebs, guys. You really changed your name to Greased Up. Oh my god. Oh my god, Nebula. Holy shit. I'm a weirdo too, but bought some ETH as well. I don't think you can out weird Neb though. Yeah, so ETH, well, ZBCN, what, 204? Yes, ZBCN still a great buy right now, in my opinion. And then the other, that's my DCA. Yeah, and ZBAC is still outside of the top 200. No, it got back into 200. Maybe it fell outside the 200 now. Let me see real quick. Crypto bubbles real quick. ZBAC. Yeah, it's still holding the top 200, 149. It's only down a little bit on the month, though. Still up 412% on the year. Yeah, it's still not the most blood I see, right? That's still not the most blood. I did not mention this one though. I'm still stacking Worm. I do like Worm, and it's still down about a little shy of 20%. It's still not a big amount. That's why I didn't really catch my eye or my crosshairs. Xion's still my #1 pick though in the top 200 for sure. All right, getting back into this, guys. Getting back into the chat. Yes, Miso Hodl says Jake the Snake. Yes. And maybe later, remind me about McFreedom's. I'll show you what my current update is on the restaurant. The plans for the restaurant. Oh, Jesus. Yes, click the Leak Otaku. The safer work is funny. Oh, jeez. Z-back to $1 shall be. It shall be. Oh, jeez. No, guys. We went over this morning. You guys kept sending me dollars in the chat. $2, $5, $10, and all saying it was going to go to Z-back was going to be, here's $10 of Z-back. Here's $5 of Z-back. You guys drove me nuts. It's not going to go to $1 this cycle. Next cycle, maybe. Next cycle. It's $83 billion in market cap for $1? Really? You think it's going to get $83 billion this cycle, this run? I don't know. I don't know if Lubecoin would be a safe pre-sale. That sounds like something Neb's right up his alley. Myriad to $1, let it be. Yes. Gamaga says, where is mother? Nebs is greased up and it's not okay. It's not okay. Yep, at least someone is sane in the chat. We do need some of the sane people to point us out. They definitely need to. Yep. 86 billion. Easy clap for Z-back, says Jake. Oh my god. I wish I was as bullish as you guys when it comes to these things. 86 billion. Oh my god. Just think about it, guys. That's more money right now than what's in USDC. I mean, think about it realistically. Come on, guys. How long has the USDC been around? Oh my god. I don't know, more than 4 years. I mean, I know that. ZBCN has dipped early this morning. Bought it and up 10 to 11, wrote it up 10 to 11% since the AM. Since with ETH, I got it at a 41 something and I buy back in, and I'm swinging some ETH. But hey, I'm trying to subsidize gas fees, says Braveheart McFreedom. Oh jeez. Oh no, mother is home but not present. God, Jake, you guys are just teasing the grill in the monkey house. You do not want her to take off her sandals and throw them at you. Where's Mamma Mia, Ramona? My Ramona. Okay, I gotcha. GG substitute chat mom. Oh yeah, we all love Ramona. We all love Ramona. All right, guys, let's get back into some of the news. Let's check on the markets and see what's going on with the news. I got a whole bunch of stuff pulled up today. Let's take a look. Ripple highlights custody as core infrastructure for $18.9 trillion tokenization market. Ripple spotlighting custody as the backbone of digital finance, driving stablecoin adoption, tokenizing asset growth, regulatory confidence in the next generation of programmable infrastructure to set to transform global markets. Ripple maps the future where custody powers stablecoins, tokenized assets, and compliance. Ripple published insights on August 18th, emphasizing that the strategic importance of digital asset custody for institutions navigating the transition to tokenized finance in a workshop co-hosted by the Blockchain Association of Singapore, the BAS. The firm outlined how custody has evolved from a technical requirement into a cornerstone of financial infrastructure. The discussion centered around custody and cybersecurity, reflecting growth in the industry and recognition and resilient custody systems are essential for scaling stablecoin applications, enhancing compliance, and supporting cross-border payment networks. A key driver behind this shift is expanding the market from tokenization of real-world assets. Ripple explained, noting, demand is rapidly increasing, driven by the product growth, tokenization of real-world assets, which are expected to reach nearly 18.9 trillion by 2033. That's just 3 years after Bitcoin is more than likely going to be $1 million. According to a recent report by Ripple and a Boston consulting group, Ripple's 2025 new value report also revealed that 71% of the financial institutions in the Asia-Pacific region has gained confidence in digital assets over the past 6 months. Still, only 30% currently use custody platforms, through an additional 52% plan to adopt them within the next 3 years. The workshop explored various custody configurations with self-managed models to outsourced and hybrid solutions designed to align with the ever-evolving regulatory demands of liquidity management and risk tolerance. Participants stressed the future custody systems must support not just asset protection, but operational innovation. Solutions that meet these needs, whether through self-custody, third-party providers, or hybrid models, will enable the next phase of stablecoin adoption, tokenized finance, and cross-border settlement. Woo! Moreover, the next generation systems must go further. In the next phase, custody infrastructure will be needing to integrate more deeply with smart contracts. 100% agree with this. That's why I say the infrastructure is not there yet. That's why I keep saying it's going to be more of a 2028 move. But anyway, I digress. Tokenization of documents tied to off-chain conditions. This will be this will be important not only for programmable payments, but also for enabling full on-chain execution of trade flows, conditional settlement, and automated compliance processes. With the custody infrastructure becoming more integrated and programmable, industry leaders need to argue will lay the groundwork for scalable and interoperable financial systems. Oh boy, what a mouthful. Oof, oof. So they're Ripple's creating roadmaps for the future through other tokenized assets and other stablecoins. Man, I still don't know. I don't know where it's going, guys. I mean, other than obviously large payment settlements over cross-border payments. That's been the idea since the very beginning. All right, guys. Bitcoin flat as stocks continue bleeding. It's tons of blood, guys. Tons of blood. Hopefully you guys are soaking some of that up. I know Elmo just can't stop talking about it. Oh my God. All right, the cryptocurrency appears to have stabilized around 114,000, but the same can't be said for stock market, which edged lower as tech stocks continue to underperform. Traditional markets plunge, but Bitcoin remains steady. Bitcoin recovered to about 114,000 on Wednesday afternoon when stocks fell across all major indices for a second consecutive day. Palantir Technologies was one of the notable stragglers among the equities, shedding almost 2% over the 24 hours, more than 15% in the last 5 days. That's insane for, of course, a large tech offering. Both stock and crypto markets have traversed choppy waters in this week, but for now it seems that digital assets are outperforming their traditional counterparts. The broader crypto ecosystem is up 1.4% at the time of writing, according to CoinMarketCap. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq are both in the red, and the Dow managed to stay mostly unchanged. Bitcoin was also unchanged and seems to be reaching a bottom of 113,000. Cryptocurrencies correlation as the stocks once again jumped. The digital assets gains more mainstream notoriety. Just yesterday, U.S. federal Governor Michelle Bowman suggested the central bank should acquire crypto to help staff better understand it. That's how you do it, man. I do this in my portfolio as well. If I really like a project, or I want to know more about a project, or I wish I knew more about a project, I would just buy a little bit just to understand it. I've done this for years, and 100% agree with this statement. Our approach should consider our Federal Reserve staff to hold de minimis amounts of crypto or other types of digital assets so they can achieve a working understanding of the underlying functionality. Bowman said in a speech at 2025 Wyoming Blockchain Symposium in Teton Village, Wyoming, I certainly wouldn't trust someone to teach me to ski if they never put skis on. Yeah, 100%. Oh, geez, that's so funny. All right, that's pretty much the long and short of what's going on today in against crypto versus traditional market assets. All right, let's get back in the chat real quick before we continue to squeeze the news further. Oh my God, these these pictures are so troll. All right, let's see what else we got here in the chat, man. Boo this man, boo, boo hoo. Who are we booing? Are we booing Nebs? The greased up deaf guy. Yes, the greased up guy. Cody Bakula's in the chat of the flames. Thank you, my guy. Thank you. How's it going? Finally a lazy day. I'm happy to hear it, Cody. You deserve it, man. You deserve it. You definitely your hands need a rest, my guy. Your hands need a rest. I got $1 left on my super chat card. Otaku must be you're re-up. I ain't gonna be the dollar super chat guy. Oh my God, Braveheart. Crypto JPEG says I know you're an AVAX fan. I opened a Gemini credit card about and up 20 coins since March. They had a $200 sign up bonus. I believe they still do it if you spend 3,000 in 3 months. Free AVAX. Not bad, man. Not bad. Yeah, I still think it's on sale. I mean, last run, AVAX went to like 100 and I'd have to do a full like deep dive into the tokenomics, or I mean the market cap and everything from the last bull market and everything to make it really understand it. But the last run for Avalanche in 2021, we got as high as $152, and I'm still expecting a $300 Avalanche at least this cycle. So much has happened on this blockchain. It's definitely proved its worth. It's being used in gaming, real world assets, tokenized security. I mean, it's all sorts of crazy stuff, guys. It's insane. And yet, not enough people are talking about it. I mean, today we just had, of course, Toyota teasing their partnership with Avalanche as well. Yeah, so I'm still bullish on Avalanche. I think it's way undervalued. And the previous high we had at the beginning of the year was only $55. Last year, we got as high as $65. Again, I'd have to go back and look at the actual market cap and see how much money was in that. But yeah, I don't think it'll show me on here now. Anyway, I believe you can get a royal reward if you help me escape this Nigeria. Where the hell are you? Jake, what did you do, my guy? How did you get locked up in Nigeria? You were just in Ohio like a week ago. Being held hostage in. If you pay my ransom and 10 million ZBEC, I will pay you 100 lube coin. Oh my God, Jake. Oh no. Oh my God. Braveheart says, don't smash that like, Nebs. You might get grease on your thumb. God. Yeah. Or hit the like before you get greased up. Yeah, 100%. Hope everyone is having a great day. You too, Cody. Hope you too as well. All right, let's get back into the news. See what else we got, guys, today. Bitcoin price watch. Range narrows as traders brace for Powell's Jackson Hole visit. Again, this is your daily therapy for the Jackson Hole. Are you guys ready for Jackson's Hole? Their J Hole. Oh my God, the J Hole. I know Nebs is ready. He's got so much. There's lube all over the chat, man. You cannot get away from it. Oh my God. My God. Oh, it's just sloshing around in there, man. Just a wave of lube. All right. Yes, Crypto Bows, how's it going? What do you think they're doing right now at Jackson Hole? They're probably having an orgy. I am going to get banned. Yes. All right. Get back to the news. Okay, so what are we talking about here? Price action of Bitcoin, of course, we already went over that. Midterm signals for a 4-year Bitcoin chart continue to reflect controlled downtrend channel and begin on August 13th. A modest bounce from 112 has emerged, but it always remains unconvinced without breakout above 115.5. That's kind of what I was thinking too. Same idea. We are stuck in that downward trend, right? Yeah, I got to go all the way back to this again. There we go. Kind of see that on the chart. There we go. Boom. We got to break out, guys. We got to get up to 117,000. Let's break on out. Let's get on out of here. All right. What else we have in here? Anything worth reading? Bull verdict. Bitcoin maintains support above 112.5 and breaks decisively through 116, which I just showed you on the chart right there. 116. Yeah, the recent downtrend could give away to the midterm recovery. A sustained close of the resistance would validate accumulation patterns and potentially take a retest of 118, 120,000 zone. All right. Bears win if we lose the 112,000 support band down to 110K, which again is on our bear case scenario at play right now. All right. Okay, so that is what they're looking at as well. Goldman Sachs, stablecoins could unlock trillions in the market potential, according to Goldman Sachs. Guys, this is the kind of shit I've been talking about for years. As soon as the banks start talking about this in a serious light, you are already too late to the party. So hopefully you guys are still DCAing as much as you possibly can before they take it all over. Goldman Sachs will Nance. What? Goldman Sachs will Nance seize. What the hell, Nance? Like finance? I don't know. Will Nance see multi-trillion-dollar future for stablecoins? The market note prepared Goldman Analytics, including Will Nance. There you go. Will Nance. I'm like, what the hell, Nance? Will Nance and published by Fortune James Edwards frame stablecoins as a powerful force in global finance, propelled by regulatory clarity and efficiency. The giant financial firm highlights that the total market capitalization of stablecoins sits at nearly 271 billion, led by issuers Tether and of course Circle. Although mainly used in cryptocurrency trading today, Goldman Sachs points to the much wider horizon. The bank's analysts reference Visa's estimate of 240 trillion annual payments. 240 trillion annual payments market, damn. Spanning consumer, business to business, peer-to-peer transactions. Fortune reports that the Goldman expects compliant stablecoins such as USDC to expand quickly, projecting a 40% compound annual growth rate that could add 77 billion in supply by 2027. That's not very far away at all. That is, I mean, that's like a year and a half away, almost. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. Less than a year and a half away. That expansion is forecast to cut into less regulated rivals, driven by federal oversight. And the report highlights the U.S. Genius Act enacted on July 2025, which requires stablecoins to be backed one-to-one with the U.S. Treasuries and equivalent cash reserves. All right. We don't want to get into all that again. But I do have to underline this again. This is insane, guys. Insane. They want to, yeah. I mean, this is how are we going to see a 40% compound annual growth rate that could add 77 billion in supply by 2027? I think they're a little conservative on that target, to be honest. Maybe 125 billion in a couple more years. I mean, honestly, a year and a half, 2 years. Do you guys still think that this is going to be the end of the cycle? God, I don't know. Goldman Outlook mirrors a growing institutional view, and the stablecoins could unlock multi-trillion-dollar potential, aligning with Pasquarialo's, I can't pronounce that, a stance on Bitcoin and precious metals such as SOVs. All right, and that's pretty much it there. So yeah, Goldman Sachs, of course, legacy bank, still very bullish on the future of crypto assets in general. All right, let's check on the chat and see how you guys are causing trouble. I'm going to have to call Ramona. I'm going to have to speed dial Ramona, man. I got to get her number just to keep you guys in line. Oh, jeez. What is going on, man? It's going to lube millions. ETF lubed and ready. Oh, my God. Oh, yep. There it is. The wave of lube has hit the chat. Yep. Everyone's all lubed up. And no one's feeling any pain anymore. That's the idea. Oh, Jesus. You guys are a riot. Holy hell. Oh man, Ramona coming in with a $5 super chat. Ramona out of the gate with all this lube.
Money now.
Oh my God.
Money, needing a lot now.
Ramona, thanks again for contributing to the channel and supporting the chaos. I love you, Ramona. Ramona says, Pal is an a-hole of J-hole. Jesus, he's the a-hole of J-hole. Yes, he is. No one's happy, of course, with his direction in the markets and yada yada. I think he's doing okay. I have to say, I think he's fine. It's just, I'm gonna get so much hate. He's doing okay. He's doing all right. At least numbers wise, he's fine. But yeah, I know. I get it. Just like Otaku taught us, McFreedom. Jesus. Oh, geez. Tearing things up, says Crypto Bows. Yes. They are 100% peering into the abyss, says Jake the Snake. What else do we have here? This is getting too deep, man. More LC needed. We have got a wave pool of lube. We've got a wave pool of lube now in the chat. Crazy. Yep. No more pain, guys. No more pain. I thought we were talking about Litecoin, Ramona. What am I missing? What am I missing here? Clarification needed. Jake the Snake does not compute. Lubecoin. Wait, what? I missed a whole bunch of stuff. I'm reading everything backwards now. Taku taught us IOUs. What? I know. I guess credit is kind of like an IOU. Oh no, yeah. I mean, if you guys are referring to that, I mean, I built a lot of my stack based on credit. Yeah. One lube coin. Can you have slipping in the Punani for month? Oh my God, Punani. Oh my God, man, Limbs, you crazy. Clarification needed. Yeah, I need it too. Does not compute. McFreedom is debt maxing. How many reverse mortgages have you taken out on your restaurants? Yes. Yes. I thought we were talking about the Litecoin, Ramona. I don't know. I don't know where the Litecoin came from. LC? The LC? Someone said LC in the chat, I guess, but LTC is Litecoin. Where's it? Okay, Powell is the Jackson and shows his hole. Oh my God. Yep. That's it. Negative amortization is the way Jake the Snake Freak Freedoms always pays all of its bills next Tuesday. Yes, I pay you, Wednesday for a hamburger today? I pay you Tuesday for a hamburger today? It was at Wimpy from... Popeye. Crypto JPEG says, all this talk, you should apply for a KY sponsorship. Oh my God, no. Oh no. Yeah, I really hope that's not where I end up going with my sponsors. Oh jeez, it's just gonna be nothing but liquid death and and KY jelly. Oh jeez. This is terrible. Chaos Engage, yes, about Adam music. You guys are too much, man. Oh my God, I can't. You'll gladly pay the Nigerians Tuesday for the King of Ohio today. Oh man. You guys, it's too much, man. It's too much. Speaking of too much, I think it was Cliff or Bobbin. Yeah, you guys, you inspired me to put the Bitcoin on my stoplight. God. It's up there. Thanks again, guys. I love hanging out with you guys. You have so many great ideas. I love bouncing ideas off you guys. What else do we have here? Don't let lube coins slip between the cracks. Yes, Otaku's KY Jelly, Godzilla, and Otaku will feel the thrill. Oh my God. Holy crap. All right, we got to get back into the news. I can't stop laughing. Oh, geez. Okay, Wormhole Foundation. We actually got Wormhole news, guys. It's insane. I saw this. I'm like, yep, we're talking about this tonight. Wormhole Foundation counters Layer Zero's Stargate acquisitional bid. On Wednesday, the Wormhole Foundation announced its intent to submit a competing bid to acquire Stargate, directly challenging a proposal from cross-chain messaging rival Layer Zero. This will move potentially disrupts a pending acquisition that could lead to a building war for a prominent bridge protocol. Boom. Rival bid emerges for cross-chain protocol Stargate. Wormhole stated the Stargate's holders deserve a more competitive process to ensure an appropriate valuation. It declared it be prepared to submit a meaningful higher bid than Layer Zero's existing offer. So they're already one-upping them before even coming out with the number, which contends significantly undervalues Stargate's substantial treasury, ongoing revenues, and future economic potential. Oh, jeez. Ramona coming with a $2 super chat, telling everyone that there is there a KY token? I feel like there is. It sounds familiar. Oh, jeez. Oh, my gosh. All right. We can take a look at that real quick and see. KY coin market cap. There's a coin for everything. Kentucky Bitcoin rights legislation. Are they having their own? Are they coming out with their own? A Kyla coin? Kyla. I don't know. Kentucky enacts Bitcoin rights legislation. Okay, no. So they're not. It's not like Kentucky's doing their own stable coin like Wyoming did. But yeah, there's Kyla coin. KCN. That's not KY. There might not be a KY coin. KYCC, KYI, XKI. Let me get back into, whoops, coin market cap real quick. I pulled that up directly. There we go. Just double check on coin market cap. KY. We got Sky. I don't think there's a KY token. Look at that. K on. Sky. No, I don't think there is. You've actually found a acronym that's not being used. That's insane. Jesus. All right. I gotta get back to that article on Wormhole. I'm excited for this one. At the WF, we have respected the Stargate Finance Protocol, its team, and especially its holders. Stargate is the leader of multi-chain asset transfers, and that's why we're stepping it up with our intent to acquire Stargate to ensure holders get the fair deal they deserve. Layer Zero's proposal, now undergoing a 7-day community vote, involves swapping all STG tokens for the Zero tokens at a fixed rate valued at approximately 110 million when announced. The deal would dissolve the Stargate DAO and direct all future protocol revenue buying back to Zero. The offer requires 70% approval threshold from voters. The Wormhole Foundation argues Layer Zero's offer is not compelling, noting Stargate's treasury alone holds roughly 892 million in stablecoins and Ethereum. Excluding the STG tokens, it claims the deal hands over all assets and future revenue for the low token-based consideration. According to Stargate, it would combine its deep liquidity with Wormhole's extensive cross-chain integrations, creating a single market dominant ecosystem. According to the Foundation, to proceed, Wormhole has requested detailed financial and operational information from the Stargate Foundation, including a full asset accounting and any outstanding liabilities. Voting on Layer Zero acquisition proposal is scheduled to conclude on August 24th. That is, I believe, next Monday. Let me double check that on the calendar. Sunday. That'll be Sunday. Stargate community must now weigh in the immediate terms of Layer Zero's offer against the possibility of a super bid from Wormhole. Let's go Wormhole. It's been a long time since we had any Wormhole news in the news. Yeah, and happy to see it. Happy to see it pop up today. All right, and yeah, again, anything adding to their arsenal would be, of course, very bullish for Wormhole and price action. Hawkish FOMC media knocks legs out of crypto bounce. But we came right back after this anyway. This came out 5 hours ago. As you can see, as of the last 2 or 3 hours, it's already pretty much been absolved. The majority of the participants judged the upside risk of inflation as the greater of these two risks. Read the Fed minutes regarding the committee's discussion of prices versus employment. Regarding upside of risk of inflation, participants pointed to the uncertain effects of tariffs and the possibility of inflation expectations becoming unanchored. Crypto price, of course, came some of their daily gains up just following the release of the minutes. So with Bitcoin sitting at 113.6 and falling to 113.3, but of course came all back anyway. It did not matter. Jackson Hole is still ahead. Nevertheless, the week's main event remains Fed Chairman Jay Powell's keynote speech in Kansas City, Fed's Economic Symposium at Jackson Hole. Fed chiefs over the past decade have the occasion used the Jackson Hole Forum to signal impending policy changes, and market participants will watching closely to see if the doggedly hawkish Powell shows any signs of changing that stance and perhaps signaling a rate cut at the central bank's next meeting in September. And again, give you guys some sort of history on this. If you didn't remember or you didn't. If you weren't part of crypto in 2024, just last year, right after the Bitcoin conference, we did have another Jackson Hole event, just like we're having this August as well, and that was that pretty much gave markets the go-ahead to get a rate cut, first rate cut we had gotten in years, in September of 2024. And that was, of course, leading up to the election win of Donald Trump. And, of course, that's kind of why Trump points to the negative, political stance. And it seems like it kind of does seem kind of like it. But either way, we really shouldn't be hoping for more rate cuts because it's going to hurt the economy either way in the long term, in my opinion. But we're going to get them anyway because we want number to go up. Yes. It's all doom, guys. It's all doom. I love it. Okay, Coinbase makes a late night announcement. They've added 5 altcoins to their roadmap. Let's see which ones they are, guys. Hint, hint, wink, wink. None of them are ZBEC, and none of them are XCN. I know. It's ridiculous.
What are you, stupid?
All right, so cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase has added AWE network, the AWE, Dolomite, Dolo, Flock, and Solary layer, and SPX 6900. Yeah, 6900 is coming, and it's a roadmap listing according to an official statement. This is not investment advice. Those are the 5 that they just are going to launch this week. Okay, why the market structure bill is far more complicated than the Genius Act. We're going to get into this. It's going to be a piece of work here. But I'm getting into like a whole bunch of lightning round news today. Finally catching up on news. I'm happy to see some news. It's been 2 very slow days so far this week. I'm happy that Wednesday we're getting a whole bunch of more news. Let me get back in the chat real quick, catch up with you guys, and then see what this one is all about pertaining to the Clarity Act versus the Genius Act and its complexity. For lawmakers. Helmo doesn't use lube. He's heartless. My God. How dare you speak for Helmo? There will be now. What? There will be now? Yes. We've hit a new all-time low as a family. What? All-time low. Because of the lube. Yeah, I mean, it's getting kind of greasy in here, man. Mother, no, don't step into the lube of darkness. Oh my God, Gamma. Oh man, see what you did here, Nab. See what you did. The whole chat is covered in lube. So proud to be here, says Mad. Beautiful mind, deep liquidity. Deep liquidity. Oh shit. Oh my God. Okay. Sorry, I had to. Yes, this is ridiculous. Oh my God, guys. I just can't stop laughing. It's too much. Yeah. All right, Anthony, pull up a seat and pick out your favorite type of lube, water-based, silicone, any kind. Just grab some and apply. Oh man, yep. All the pain is gone, guys. I officially, I think everyone graduates from therapy after tonight. Holy crap! But this is good. I mean, this is good. Everyone's learning how to get through, a bearish situation, right? A very bearish situation. Jake and Say comes in and says, friends, don't let friends leave house without lube on the market. 100%. Coconut oil is permitted. Ooh, I do like that. Probably better off with the coconut oil instead. Oh my God, it's absolutely crazy in here. Oh my God. Yep. I've lost all sorts of hope of sponsorships now, other than lube. Ben isn't even here for a breakthrough. Oh, jeez. Yes, that's right. Oh, my God. Poor Ben. He definitely needed this therapy session, too. He could have really used it. His absence caused the breakthrough. Yes. Probably, Jake. Probably. Probably. But we're all so much better now because of it. All right. Why a market structure bill is far more complicated than the Genius Act? Let's find out here, according to some lawmakers. Before Fed Chair Jerome Powell takes the Jackson Hole spotlight on Friday, other big wigs in the same valley gave us some regulatory tidbits to chew on. U.S. Senator Tim Scott and SEC Paul Atkins shared the type of praise for Donald Trump you'd expect from the Republican leader, an agency head, of course, nominated by the president, making the U.S. The crypto capital of the world, yada, yada, yada. They actually put yada, yada, yada in the article. I love whoever the hell wrote this. Who wrote this shit? It's cryptonews.net. Okay, Blockworks. This one comes out at blockworks.co. Yes, but between the lines, there were some substantial sound bites. For example, Scott, the head of the chair of Senate Banking Committee, said, address the market structure legislation. Perhaps you remember Scott, Cynthia Lummis, and others introducing the discussion draft last month that built up the Clarity Act passed by the House. It looks to be define ancillary assets and a bid to clarify which digital assets are not securities, and it directs the SEC to tailoring existing requirements to digital asset activity. 18 Democrats voted for the Genius Act. Scott said he thinks that they'll have between 12 and 18 Dems at least open to voting for the market structure bill. That's a far more complicated piece of legislation, he acknowledged, to someone like Senator Elizabeth Warren standing in the way of the Democrats wanting to participate in this. In his words, a real force to overcome. Patrick Daugherty head of the blockchain and digital asset practice and law firm Foley and Lardner, oh geez, really, agreed that his legislative effort is a not so sure thing. He also emphasized the difference between what the House passed and what the Senate Banking Committee revealed. The Clarity Act would help layer one blockchain builders, for example, raise more capital efficiently and protect them from failing to register with the SEC. And the lawyer told me that crypto exchanges would also be safer from attack for trading unregistered tokens. Side note, to the contrary, it seems that the crypto project leaders may have to fend off overly friendly commissioners wanting to get their coffee near their hometowns. Yeah, I mean, everyone's always got a bias, right? The Clarity legislation would give both the SEC and CFTC, of course, the commission, jurisdiction over certain parts of the industry. With regulation around these technologies able to shift from one agency to the other. Daughtry added, Scott's proposal puts more of the rulemaking and regulation burden on the SEC. Is worth noting through that the Senate Agricultural Committee, with the oversight of the CFTC, is expected to soon introduce their own draft language focused on digital commodities. More than stablecoins statute, either market structure statute, if enacted, will require considerable rulemaking and interpretation by the SEC and Securities Bar, who are following the developments closely. Daughtry said, "Will clarity clarify the law? Yes, but less than some would like." Atkins doubled down on a super app approach. Atkins hammered down on some of his project crypto priorities in discussion later this morning, with some relating to the regulatory jurisdictions mentioned above. If you forgot the gist of the SEC chair's broad plans, loading tweet. Really? Damn, who the hell wrote this shit? I'm gonna have to go to Blockworks and see who the hell are their editors. This is crazy. Loading tweet. Atkins also has noted in the July 31st remarks that he would help the Senate craft a market structure bill that future proofs our markets against the regulatory mischief. He said on Tuesday, "I didn't come to Washington to engage in a turf battle." He doubled down on the themes of being flexible as the marketplace and technology evolves, as well as implementing a so-called super app approach. 5 or 10 years from now, things will be completely different, I am sure, Atkins said, and we can put those things into a little cement-surrounded pockets that are immutable. Friendly competition and a balance of power is key, and noted that it is part of the guard against the regulator becoming too obstinate. Obstinate. Oh my God, I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah. So, boom. Yeah, it seems like we're going to have a little bit more of a roadblock ahead, especially with Elizabeth Warren at the helm of all of the the Democrats making this thing possible. Again, is this a bipartisan bill? It's not one side or the other. This is the future of digital assets in our country. If we do not pass this, other countries are going to get ahead of ours, and I would already argue and say they already are. They have been since last year. All right, let's get into the next article real quick. Donald Trump may have cornered Fed Chairman Jerome Powell, and he appears to be forcing another member to resign and push for interest rates. So if you guys caught the morning live with us, I don't want to spend too much time into this, but the morning live this morning, we covered Donald Trump wanted to out another Fed chair seat. I went into some more details in this later. It's not exciting. Basically, he caught one of the members of the Fed purchasing a mortgage and outlining that they were using that as one of their own homes, personal homes, or personal, and then later adding that, initially purchasing it and then selling another house and then putting up for rent, and then later on applying it as for collecting taxes on a personal home and not for rent. So he caught her in some sort of loophole, and he's trying to get rid of that seat as well, and of course put another Republican-minded, like-minded Fed chair pick for Trump. So that's the whole idea. That's the gist of it. So that is kind of happening right at the start of Jackson Hole, which is kind of crazy because he's going to have to. I mean, we're all going to see her. That is, I forget her name already. What the hell was her name? Cook. Yes, it was Cook. Polte alleged Cook. What was her first name? Doesn't even say. Does it not say? Say what's going to the department. Investigation into Crook. Doesn't even mention Lisa Cook. Yeah, Lisa Cook. So she should be resigned or be fired, basically, putting all the crosshairs on her at the heat of the Jackson Hole Summit. Right, so yeah, Cook was appointed in the Fed of 2022 by former President Joe Biden, voted to keep interest rates steady at the least at the last meeting. The Fed and Justice Department declined to comment on the Polte's allegations of Trump's response. But that was the nitty gritty that I found out. I dug out earlier today. That was some sort of stipulation on some mortgages that she was involved in. All right, and yeah, they're calling for her to at least be suspended. And yeah, everyone's gonna see her in just a couple days. All right, let's get back in the chat, and I'm gonna get into another one here. As Franklin Templeton, CEO, says 24/7 blockchain surrender TradFi systems are irrelevant. They're finally figuring it out, guys. They're finally figuring it out. What Larry Fink has been after all these years. All right, let's get back into the chat real quick. 50 greased push-ups. Damn, that's terrible. That's terrible. Anthony Smith. That's what you get when you walk into a room full of lubed. You guys are nuts. Anthony, pull up a seat and pick out your favorite type of lube-based silicone, and you kind of just grab it and apply. We're out here getting. It's not that bad, guys. It's really not that bad. I mean, unless Bitcoin just took another turn for the worse. I don't think it did. 114.3, still holding up here. We got to break up above 116 tonight, guys. I don't know if we can do it. But it's still looking pretty tight. It's looking pretty tight here, guys. Yes, it is.
Tight. Yes, do it like a tiger. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, like a tiger. Yes.
Sound like a tiger blood, man.
It's been a while since I had a chance to play that one. It does look tight, though. Look at all this. The Bears have been trying to break it down for a while, and they haven't had any good luck after... What was that? After 1 o'clock, it was over. They haven't been able to put up a fight since. Interesting to see if this will play out. But again, we still have a long way up in order to break out of this downward trend. And we just broke out of a downward trend when we broke up to all-time highs. So again, this is what I'm referring to here. We just went through all this last week. Oh my God. Here we go again. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. And everyone's freaking out about it now. It's ridiculous. But yeah, it's the same exact thing. That's why you gotta zoom out, guys. Oh man, it's crazy. Yeah, let me highlight some of this stuff. Yeah, make it relevant. Make it very prevalent. There we go. Boom. I could do better than that. I got OCD brain, guys. OCD. There we go. There we go. So yeah. Up, up, then down again? Probably. Anyway, Franklin Templeton, CEO, says 24/7 blockchain surrender TradFi systems are irrelevant. Predicts crypto will be hugely beneficial to the financial industry, 100%. This is the entire game that we're playing now. And then don't take my word for it. That's been a while since I pulled this up. I think a few weeks since I showed it. I like to show this every once in a while. This is, of course, Papa Fink. This is Daddy. This is Daddy who left us, went out for cigarettes, never came back. Right? He went to this freaking meeting in 2023.
I actually believe is going to be very important. Look at it. We have been part of the huge revolution in investing through ETFs. We believe that ETFs will be changing the whole way we invest. Many people still use it as a means, people are investing it for indexing. No, the majority of people who are putting money in an ETFs are active investors that are buying exposure. The entire bond market is being transformed as we talk right now. I believe the next generation for markets, the next generation for securities will be tokenization of securities. And if we can have that distributed ledger that we know every beneficial owner, every beneficial seller, we all have our code of who's buying, who's selling, instantaneous settlement. And think about it, it changes the whole ecosystem.
Yep, there it is. So that's what Larry Fink was talking about 6 months before the first Bitcoin ETF was launched and approved. Of course, IBITS. Bitcoin ETF. So this has been the plan for a long time, guys. Tokenization of securities, 100%. We are going to render TradFi systems irrelevant, and predicts that crypto will be hugely beneficial to financial history. Don't even need to read this article after, of course, hearing Larry Fink saying this, but this is currently where we're at now in the story. The chief executive financial services giant Franklin Templeton says around the clock, blockchains will completely overhaul how financial markets operate. In a new interview with Bloomberg Television, Franklin Templeton CEO Jenny Johnson says that one specific characteristic of the traditional finance TradFi system, the closing of the stock market at a specific time every single day, will soon be a thing of the past. That's exactly what Larry Fink just said. We have a partnership with Standard Chartered Bank and the crypto exchange OKX, where you're actually going to be able to exchange stable coins and park them into a yield bearing account, and then you can move them back, and that'll be 24/7. I mean, that's the goal, 24/7, 365 days a week. Why are we messing around with these freaking banks every single day? We got to wait until they they open up, and you see your balance in your bank account just finally start to move as it gets to 9-10 o'clock in the morning. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It's especially when you've been in crypto for 5 years, man. You look at it, it's just like, why? Why are we still doing this? It's so stupid. It's insane. I mean, why is that you can't trade stocks on the New York Stock Exchange after 4 p.m. in the afternoon? It's because of the old days. That's a batch of processing systems that had reconciled at the end of each day. Blockchain is going to completely make that irrelevant. You're going to be able to settle atomic settlement immediately, and this is going to be the way to change types of products, and people are going to be able to bring that to the type of the market. And so Franklin Templeton have already built this entire ecosystem around a shareholder record-keeping system, and for that kind of atomic settlement, Johnson goes on to note that the lines between traditional and the digital finance will soon start to blur as blockchains integrate with TradFi. I also feel like this has personally been the main reason why a lot of normies haven't really got involved in traditional, in TradFi securities, in stock market options and that sort of thing. I think it's mostly because they're only open at the times that they're working, right? And so they never get, I mean, unless they're day trading on their lunchtime, that's the only time they really have the ability to really participate in our market, in the stock market. I mean, crypto is 24/7, but that's the whole idea, right? The whole idea is, I feel like gonna open this up to the normies in a bigger way in the future. I don't think we'll have all these closed channels and secret society moves only happening when everyone else, of course, the normies are working their 9 to 5. Anyway, I think as President Trump has done with the support is to recognize that the technology is going to be hugely powerful and beneficial to the financial services industry because it will drive down costs. It has more transparency in many ways, is arguably more secure, and what's going to happen, you're going to start to see much more of a convergence of traditional finance with the digital asset space, and I think that's a really good thing. This is coming out of a CEO, or not a CEO, Chief Executive Officer, CEO, CFO. Oh my God, I don't know. Chief Executive Financial Officer of Franklin Templeton. 24/7 blockchains to render TradFi systems irrelevant. All right, guys. Before we get over to the real news over on Twitter, I just want to catch up with you guys in the chat and remind you, I need to shill harder. We got to get to 1,000 subs. Guys, come on. What are we doing? Jake the Snake, of course, usually here to remind me to shill harder. Yes, I need to get to 1,000 subs so that we can get all the superpowers unlocked for the channel. And we're almost there, guys. 150 left to go. 150, that's it. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right. Let's see what else is going on in the chat. Hopefully all the lube is drying up, man. I hope so. Ben isn't here for the breakthrough. Yeah, it's unfortunate Ben's not here for this breakthrough. He really could have used it, I feel like he's been down, a few days he's been on. Oh my God, Crypto Chaos. Yes, After Dark Edition. Grab the baby oil, slide it in the waterbed. What? And hodl. Let's go get that money. Oh my God, you guys are nuts. That's Cliff. Oh my God, Cliff. That's crazy. Godzilla lube for those with scales. Yes, for you, Jake. Just for you, my guy. It's the only one that would probably put that on. Oh my God, you crazy scaly bastard. Yes, yo, Super Danny's in the house. How's it going, Super Danny? How's it going? You missed all the lube. the wave of lube in the chat was insane. Don't worry, there's another wave coming. Never let Uncle Fink convince you to go down into his basement. Ben hasn't been there since he went down there. I've been down there alone now. You guys left me down there. I've been down there alone for like months. And yeah, Larry Fink never came back with Sigs. I don't know where he went. Why is Ramona with Fink? I don't know what the hell's going on, guys. If anyone's a reptile, it's Fink, man. Those eyes, they just peer into your soul. Oh my god. Fink Fink has him in the basement with a big gag ball chained to the walls. What? No. Oh my god, Braveheart. You guys are making me read the stupidest shit now. Fink let Ben go. Oh jeez. Crypto JPEG says Otaku said we need to re-lube. It's getting dry in here. I got it started back. It'll start back up. It's a wave pool of lube. It just keeps going. Oh my god, you guys are insane. Oh my god. I can't stop laughing. I can't. All right, guys, the real news. The real news over on Twitter, of course. That's where we are. All right, we're gonna do some doom scrolling now, guys. You ready for some doom scrolling? Let's see what we can dig up today. All right, warning. This is not pre-screen. This is doom scrolling live on YouTube. Breaking: Eric Trump suggests a mystery country may have bought a 200,000 Bitcoin worth of 22 billion without telling anybody. How? When? Paper Bitcoin? Futures contracts? What is this? How can you buy 200,000 without telling anyone? I don't know. I'd like for this to load. There we go. I can barely hear it.
In the winter, when it's not nearly as hot, I'm going to take all the energy supply from my major city and I'm going to, dedicate it to Bitcoin mining. I really believe in that asset. Or, our country just bought 200,000 Bitcoin and we did so very quietly. We don't want anybody to know about it, but that's how much we believe in the asset.
Okay. Yeah, I feel like someone took his words a little too literally. I don't know. Anyway, Harvard says Bitcoin is more likely to hit $100 than 100K. That was back in 2018. And in 2025, Harvard buys 116 million Bitcoin at 116K. I love it. Breaking: Brazil holds the first Bitcoin strategic reserve hearing. We've been covering this now for 2 weeks. They've been talking about doing this. Here they go. They're considering buying $19 billion worth of Bitcoin soon.
Chefe do Departamento de Reservas Internacionais do Banco Central.
I'm not even going to pretend I can translate that for you guys. Just trust me, bro. I'm sure they say Bitcoin in there somewhere. Okay, Squawkbox Asia. We did cover this one already. Thailand to accept Bitcoin payments for tourism in South Asia. This is huge. This is huge for Thailand. I'm excited for that as well, as a lot of us are planning to go to Thailand soon. Everyone's overthinking everything. You can just buy Bitcoin. Yeah. My God, what the hell? Oh no, Grok's Annie has more outfits now. Holy shit! Oh my God. The outfit kind of looks like one of my waifu's outfits. Ignore the bears, says Michael Seller 12 hours ago, telling everyone this morning to ignore the bears. Of course, just like Indiana Jones again or something. Bullish: Grok says Bitcoin will hit 400,000 in 70 days. That's, of course, referring to its November prediction. Now we're calling that October. October? 400,000. What was it? I put it on the board. I put it on the board. I'm pretty sure it was November. They're saying October. I forget. I put it on the board. Let's go back. Grok AI heavy model says $400,000 prediction October 22nd, I think. If Trading View's not doing their weird jumble days again. All right. So yeah, October 22nd. Rare footage of the plane flying over the North Sentinel Island, considered to be one of the most dangerous places in the world. Okay, I'm not sure why it says that's in my feed. Quantum computing is a threat to Bitcoin. Are you sure about that? Bank PIN code. 4 numbers. Private key. Yeah, 256. No. I just bought XCN at, was it 1282? So, yeah. I can't help myself. Says Caesar's the Great. Again, Caesar. I am following him. I forgot I was following him on on Twitter. Caesar again pointing out, and I pointed it out earlier, it's the most down on the top 200 assets. It's still one of my favorite picks. XCN's down 30% on the month. Senator Lummis just confirmed Bitcoin crypto market structure bill will be passed this year. It's coming. She has, of course, been keeping everyone updated with the current news on that.
To work in the Senate on September 3rd. We are working market structure with the goal of having it out of committee, out of the Senate Banking Committee by the end of September. And then the Ag Committee, the Senate Ag Committee, hopefully will work their part of it, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission part of market structure, through the month of October. And we will have market structure to the President's desk before the end of the year. I hope it's before Thanksgiving.
Before Thanksgiving?
That's our goal. So we will
Damn.
have market structure done this year. And
Maybe Grok is onto something with October. Let's go. And the market structure bill is still one of those key bills that Lummis needs in order to get America to restructure and more than likely revalue their gold and roll that into Bitcoin. So again, we have to have this bill before we actually talk about allocating any amount new to Bitcoin. Huge breaking: Brazil holds first hearing about National Strategic Reserve. We already covered that. Drying beef jerky waste with a Bitcoin miner. What in Helsinki? Oh my God! What? I love it. I love it. Holy shit! Oh man, look at that! All of that energy, guys, being repurposed. They say, of course, it's bad for the environment. Human life created by machine. Oh no. Nanobots, now help me make babies. Oh no. The nanobots are coming, guys. The nanobots. This is going back into full Metal Gear. Full Metal Gear. Oh, jeez. Just in, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong predicts that Bitcoin will reach $1 million by 2030. He's talking about it again.
The rough idea I have in my head is like we'll see $1 million Bitcoin by 2030, and there's high error bars around these things. But you know, just to give you a couple of data points, right? It's like we're starting to see regulatory clarity emerge in the United States, which I think is a bellwether for the rest of the G20. Have the Genius Act passed now for stablecoins, but this market structure bill is being debated in the Senate. Fingers crossed, something could happen by the end of this year. That would be a huge milestone. The United States government now has a strategic Bitcoin reserve. So that is, if you'd asked me 5 years ago, that would have been kind of like vision board, and someone would have said, you're crazy, like the United States government's not going to officially hold Bitcoin. But if they do that, which there's now an executive order to do, I think a bunch of other countries are going to do that. The rough idea I have in my head is like we'll see $1 million.
I agree, and that's still my biggest catalyst for getting to $1 million sooner rather than later is going to be that more and more countries are adopting a Bitcoin standard. Our strategy. I wish they'd do a standard. Anyway, billionaire Bill Miller says that 1% of the $60 trillion in global retirement accounts could add $30,000 to Bitcoin's price. This sees a 2% allocation as conservative. Wall Street is predicting that a rate cut will be announced at Jackson Hole Summit on Friday. Fed Watch Tool ads are now at 83% before the rate cut in September. All right, I think that's a good enough roundup to give us an idea exactly where we're at right now in the grand scheme of things. Again, still kind of just wait and see for Friday. All right. Getting into the normies, guys. Before I get into the normies, let's catch up with the chat. We got to catch up with the chat. Just right after that lube. wave of lube there. I know where I'm at. Okay. Like Pulp Fiction. That's it. I'm pulling all out the Shugite and the Obsidian. Yes, let's go, Gamma. That's probably what I'll do again tonight. I used some pyrite last night. Maybe tonight I'll use Shugite, pyrite, Obsidian. And all of my freaking crystal, clear quartz. Yes, let's go. Lube, mother. Do you use it? Oh my God, you guys are crazy like Pulp Fiction, yeah. Can't hear shit. Broke ass camera crew. Come on now. You had one job. Yeah. Seriously. Are these people sharing all of these videos too, and they don't check the sound levels when they're at their source? I don't know. I don't get it either. Uncle Duck says you need the lube that volume. No. Oh my God. It needs to go up to 11, guys. 11. send it to 11. Braveheart McFreedom says, I thought I was the only Shungungian. What the hell? Gamma, nice. Got a huge chunk of obsidian in the yard. Damn, nice. That's cool. That is awesome. Yes, that's fire. Braveheart, 100%. Gamma, you guys and your crystals. I mean, yeah, yeah, it's a lot of fun. Yeah, full tilt weirdos with the crystals now. Yeah, dude, need some sun exposure. I have actually I have a story about crystals that got me turned on to them. Honestly, true story. I'll tell you guys later if you want to hear it. Anyway, full tilt. Yeah, so the weird dude needs some sun exposure, looking like powder. Me? I am in a bunker. You're probably referring to Eric, right? The crystals I mentioned actually protect you from EMF and negative energy. 100% obsidian, yes, 100%, and I believe Shugite as well, right? Hey guys, sorry I'm late. Corporate board meeting is to blame, says Ben. Oh Ben, oh no, you just made it. You just made it. You just missed the roller coaster. Oh, you did. God. Don't worry, there's gonna be another wave soon. Oh my god, that was insane. That's right. Yeah, you missed it. There was some real therapy. You missed it. We had a huge breakthrough, Ben, and you weren't here. Glad you got the gag ball out. Yeah, Uncle Fink sucks. Oh, Braveheart, damn. We all need therapy in this market. I see you, Nebs. Yes, yes, yes. Game God says, I got you some magical crystal stories too, Otaku. Oh, we definitely need story time. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Back and forth. I definitely would love to hear your experience as well, Gamma. Yeah. Yeah, no, the CEO of Coinbase looks like powder. Oh, yeah. You're cool, Otaku. I am? I guess so. Thanks, my guy. Thank you. All right. Yes, and here, another wave of lube is incoming. Stories of, or it never happened, Otaku Crystal story time. I mean, we'll get into that maybe after the prediction for tomorrow's price action on Bitcoin. Yeah, of course, with the Crypto Chaos magic. I'll give maybe some. Just remind me. I might forget. All right, guys, let's get into the normies and refresh where they are today. We're going to, of course, check on the normie search history for Google. And, yeah, see how they're doing today. Traditionally, we grade them on a grade scale, A through F. And, yeah, they usually only search for 3 things: video games, sports, and celebrities. And typically, they get enough. And not really, anything to do with our space at all. All right, let's see what they're looking at today. Claves, Frank Caprio, Inter Miami Tigers, Jake Paul, Target CEO. Okay, there's a little bit of stock market stuff there. Sony PS5 price increase. Damn, it's gonna hurt the normies. I heard the Switch is getting a price increase too, so it's all gonna hurt the normies. Video games, sports, celebrities. Toluca, Orlando City, Tyson Bajint. I don't know. Coastal flood warning, Skymore. How many episodes of It's Zip? What? To Zip? I don't know. Season 3. Cracker Barrel logo changing? I don't know. It's weird stuff. Amazon product recalls. I've been getting some weird free stuff from Amazon lately. I don't know why. It's labeled to me and everything. Like, what's going on? I don't know. I don't know what's going on lately, Amazon. Their robots are fucking up or something. All right, USS New Orleans fire Japan. I don't know what the hell that is. I'm assuming sports. Sports. Normies love the sports. The Twisted Tale of Amanda Knox. Lisa Cook. Yes, she's trending. Of course, the Fed Fed pick that Fed chair that Trump wants to oust. Italian restaurant chain chapter 11. IDK, I don't know what they're referring to. That's very loose and yeah. Global currency, world currency. I gotta see what's going on with this. Why is that getting searched? There isn't a single world currency rather than national currencies. Come on. We have a world currency. It's called Bitcoin. Come on.
Yeah. Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin is the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best.
Thanks, Taylor. Yeah, so that's weird that this is getting searched today. Why? Let me know in the chat if you guys know why people are searching for world or did they search national? No, world currency, global currency. Why are they searching for global currency today? This is gonna break my brain. Why is this trending? I guess The dollar, I don't know. Yeah, I guess it's falling. It's falling, guys. So people are starting to figure it out. This is what happens when you have the internet for more than a decade. Yeah, EZ. What is this? I don't know what that is. Google Pixel. There's a new Google Pixel. I looked at that today. It's not really special. He'll let loose Vietnam. Okay, he'll let loose. I don't know what the hell. Hell let loose Vietnam. Hell. Oh my God, guys. What the hell? I don't know what's going on with the normie searches today. It's pretty insane, actually. It's pretty intense. Louisiana, Wisconsin, referring to Meta AI. Weird stuff today, guys. I don't know. I kind of want to give the normies a D plus. There's some weird shit in here. I don't even know, and it's actually like kind of sus what's going on in the world today. I don't know. So I'm gonna give them a D plus. I normally don't give them that score of a high without some crypto stuff in here, but holy crap, that's wild today. What's going on? People are asking why the dollar is the dominant currency. Why is the dollar losing its crown? Oh, evolving landscape of the global currency. I love it. So much doom. Yes. Oh, Jesus. Let's go. All right. So, yeah, that's what's going on with Google search history today. Interesting indeed. We also have Bitcoin history over time on Google. The last 7 days. Pretty much at the bottom. Let's take a look real quick before we get back in the charts. I do want to take a look at the overall sentiment, where we are currently standing, as we opened up in fear, and then we opened up the foreign market just barely in neutral. Let's see where we are currently now. Let's take a look. Sitting at neutral. There we go. We're still in neutral, guys. So it's good for the foreign markets open today. Okay, let's get going back into Kimba the White Snow Lion on YouTube. Anime reference for those who know, don't pay for something you get for free. Haha, Kimba, my boy Kimba over there, killing it, man. Been watching him for 4 or 5 years. It's crazy. He got me through the bear market for sure. All right. Of course, bringing you this for free, the live book map. Don't pay for something you get for free. You pay for enough subscriptions. Kimber brings it to you for free. All right, guys. Let's see what's going on tonight. As we just opened, and I don't know why my my snipping tool just keeps crashing. There we go. All right, there we go. So yeah, we're still stuck in this downward trend. But we are starting to break up a little bit and grab up some more of this area of land, right? We're basically taking more territory. The bulls are having a little bit of a rally, but it might be short-lived. It's only gonna last maybe a few more hours, in my opinion, until the market open. So about 12 more hours from right now. Actually, we're all at 9:26 right now, guys. Oh my gosh! Every day I feel like we're just pushing further and further out on the live stream. And at some point, we will not even go to sleep. We'll just keep doing this all 24/7. It's going to be crazy. But yeah, we're still ranged around somewhere between 100 and where we are right now, 114 and $120,000 Bitcoin. I would say more realistically 119.5 or 119.5. All right, getting back to the chart. And we're going to do some more Crypto Chaos magic tonight. That's right. Oh, boy. One banana. I keep forgetting that banana's there. I got. All right, Ben, I did remove your prediction because it's not going to happen, my guy. You had 132,000 for today. Right, I took that off the board. It's not going to happen. Next, we do have Be Kind on Friday. His or her prediction will be on the 22nd on Friday. So just a general rip prediction. I think this is pretty much a given, man. I think this was a good one. And this one was put in a week or two ago. So this narrative was not kind of building when this was put in. This was placed. So interesting to see how this plays out this week. Into the weekend, I do like gammas a little more. Sitting at a Monday. So Sunday, of course, into Monday, we could be looking pretty good after Jackson Hole. I'm so sick of saying that now. All right. Let's get into it, guys. The Jackson Hole part. All right, let's get into the shorter time frames. Take a look and see where Bitcoin's going on tonight. Last night we called for yet again a baseline bull. We didn't get the bull part of it. We got the baseline though. Basically landing on top of our baseline into the market open and still there now. So pretty good for Bitcoin, but still we're still stuck in this range where we're in a descending channel. Again, not looking really great. Not looking great at all. Until hopefully the markets recover on Friday, or people just start buying up this dip. I wonder if Sailor's got like a bag waiting on, just waiting on the sidelines. He did buy a couple times in a week, but that was I think after he just released his latest offering. Was a stretch. I think it was stretch. All right, so he did have a little extra capital then to spend. Right now, he's not looking good. He's not looking good on the books right now. Anyway, so where are we headed for Bitcoin tonight? Well, we do have to hold our previous level of support, which we now just attained yet again. That's 114,000 flat. We did wick a little bit there, so that's kind of bullish. That's kind of bullish right out the gate of the foreign market open. We did climb back up here and get back to at least one of our old tests of support, but still, it's not, over time, this has been playing out for an entire week now of downside action. I would imagine it's going to continue to play out the same way until at least Friday. So I would say we still have to break at least 116,000 for us to be bullish, right? We got to break out of here and get to the 116K, break on out. But let's see where we're gonna head tonight. We're gonna do, of course, some Crypto Chaos magic and figure it out, guys. Let's get back in the chat one more time and catch up with you guys, and then we'll do our ritual. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna put my sticks in place. These, for you guys catching the channel for the first time, we do Crypto Chaos magic every single night with the foreign market open and to the market open for America. And this time is no different. Why is that coming in weird? 9 p.m. Why does it say a.m.? What is happening? Why does it say 9 a.m.? I don't know what's going on, guys. I'm on the 15-minute. Okay, now it's showing up at 9 p.m. Okay, whatever. It's close enough. I'll leave it there. All right, let's see what these guys are talking about right now. After the lube, right there, the wave of lube. Stories that never happened. Yes, I'll send butt pics to hear the lube and crystal story. What? What lube crystal story? Oh my God. Big McFreedom says I at least take a super chat to get the crystal story out of Otaku. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe. No, it'll take a lot to get the UFO story out, or the other stuff out of me. Anyway, what's the other thing? I will get my Google Play gift card and hit you back soon, says Braveheart McFreedom. Do not redeem it. Do not redeem it, says Jake the Snake. Oh my God. Come on, guys. Get a hold of yourself. All right, is YouTube really shadow banning? I mean, maybe. They might be after us saying lube like 112 times today. Yeah, maybe. Don't redeem what, Jake? What the hell? Oh, geez. They want to prove system approved speech. Speech in these chats is questionable. Yes, at best. I think TradingView just updated and it won't let me draw on the charts anymore. No. I have all my dumb shit on the... I always have all sorts of dumb shit on the charts. They better not. They better not. I'll find a different chart if they take all my fun away. You got banned, says Ben. Oh, no. Who got banned? Who got banned? Sus. Did Nebs get banned? What? Did Nebs get banned? I think Nebs got banned. Oh my God. Oh my God. McFreeman is referring to the Google Play card that we were about to redeem. The scammer also asked you to buy them, doesn't want you to redeem them. Okay. Little Bear gets through my bear market. Show is very calming. Oh, geez. I love the way he implicitly files. Strange that a little bear can fly. Little Bear and his friends are good television. Oh my God. The hell, guys. Jake the Snake, when did you realize that you're identified as a snake? That's a good question. I identify as a red crayon. I've always known I've identified as a red crayon. I was born as a red crayon, so you can't tell me otherwise. But yeah. Yeah, Jake, when did you first identify as a snake? That's everyone's second biggest bag. What, Z-Back? Z-Back? Let's see what else we have here. Never mind, I lubed up with a TradingView and now it's working. Gotcha, JPEG. Automotive channels say lube all the time, says Ramona. That shouldn't get you shadow banned. Oh my God, banned. Only a wrench could ban Nebs. Yes. Really? I don't know. I don't know. It's not the community's fault. People have crazy meme coin memes. Maybe all those pump.fun ecosystems, says Cliff. Gilganis comes in saying Nebs used to be too much lube and he slipped out in the chat. Yeah, he did. He's back now though. Nebs says, see my approves. Me approves the lube. Nebs is not banned. I'm mooning the police outside my house waiting for a response. What the hell? Oh my god, guys. Second biggest bag. Well. Moonwell? Moonwell. That's probably like my fourth or fifth, maybe. Mom! Jesus. Oh, jeez. Yes, Crypto Mom is here, guys. Ramona's in the chat. She's back in the chat. Oh, jeez. All right. We got to do some Crypto Chaos magic, guys. Let's get over to the Shrine of Satoshi and figure out where Bitcoin's going tonight. And make a sacrifice. Speaking of sacrifices, let's see what we're up to right now. Gamma coming in at 675 XP. Thank you again, Gamma, for contributing to the chaos tonight. A close second with 625 XP is Cliff, my boy, sitting at 625. Gamma Goddess coming in at 225. Number 4 coming in at Crypto JPEG, my boy. Greased up Neb. And a close number 5. Oh my god, I can't believe you changed your name to Greased Up Nebs, guys, dude. That's insane. It's insane. All right. Again, shout out to Ramona for being, again, my #1 fan. Again, I love you, Crypto Mom. All right, and we are going to, of course, burn another Jackson in honor of Jackson's Hole. Yeah, that's probably it. Yep, that's what we're gonna do.
I'd buy that for $1.
Yep. All right, going to the shrine, guys. Going to the shrine. Here we go. Let's burn some more money. Oh boy, what do we got? Well, let's see what I can find today. Yes, the Shrine of Satoshi demands more blood. More blood for Bitcoin. All right, we're gonna light the Bitcoin candle. Woo! Got a fan going. It's kind of hard to light that. There we go. The candle has been lit. The first step in Crypto Chaos magic. The candle has been lit. Yes, we're going to idolize the moon, as always, the moonstone. But today we're going to add a lot more. There's a lot of money here. That's the first. Oh shit! All right, we're gonna bring some. We're gonna bring pyrite. We're gonna bring pyrite back on there to hopefully enrich us a little bit. I love some tiger's eye too. Oh, I love tiger's eye. It's so pretty. And hopefully it'll bring some directional pivot into our market. I'm just gonna go crazy, guys. I'm gonna go crazy tonight. Obsidian, of course, to protect Bitcoin for tonight and the foreign markets. We need, of course, more clear quartz. That one is very, very interesting. Yes, more clear quartz on the shrine. A ton of it. Let's go. Ton of it. And maybe just a tad bit more obsidian. There we go. A little bit more obsidian. And let's throw a little bit of jade in there too. Screw it. Jade definitely get through us through the night. Yeah. Get some jade in there. That's nice. That's looking good. All right. I'm gonna, of course, say CRPYPTO on the altar, and we're gonna sacrifice. I'm just gonna sacrifice a whole bunch of shit, guys. I got all this here. Let's just sacrifice like 2 hundos. 2 hundos. All right, here we go. 2 hundos tonight. We gotta do a big burn, man. We gotta get something going. Oh, if I can get to the pit. No. We gotta get to the pit. Oh, want to knock down the crystals. Okay, we're gonna burn. If I can get it. Can I get it to burn? Yes, burn. There's a hundo there. Oh, it's the fan. I gotta stand in front of the flames. There we go. This one was actually an old hundo from Cliff. This brings back memories. Oh, jeez. Woo! Let's just burn it all. Let's just burn it all. Oh my god. Yes! Alright, one more piece. That's about 2 hundos worth. 2 hundos worth. Oh! I can't bring it to burn tonight. I moved the fan. I'm gonna burn another one. Come on. Get to 100, at least 115 tonight. Jesus. Oh, that's all of the money shall go. Burn. Shit. All right. There it goes, guys. There it goes. We have done the deed. Cool. Oh my God. Cliff coming in with a $20 super chat while I'm sitting at the shrine. My God. Damn.
Give me money. Money me. Money now.
Ramona also coming with a $5 super chat. Ben, a therapy, a breakdown, I mean breakthrough. Yes. Oh, it was great, guys. That was great. We did have a really good breakthrough earlier. You missed it, Ben. 100%. You missed it. And then Cliff, yes, with a $20 super chat. Thank you, my man, for the support. I love. Oh my God, dude, I really appreciate that. Burn that shit. Why do we need this stuff anymore, guys? It's silly. We trade with paper. It's crazy. All right. Yeah, socks. Yeah, I don't know why Ben still wants to burn all the socks. I think it's because he's trying to hide his his habit. All right, let me get back in the chat and see what else you guys got here. Holy crap. Nebs, swatting does mean someone in a police outfit speaks to you or spanks you. What? Swatting? No, that's not what swatting means. This is a slippery slope, says Ramona. Sorry, still working at the slipped out the chat. Oh my God. It really is, guys. It's slippery slope. Oh my God, Ramona. Sickos, and you call me crazy, says Ben. It says Ben. Tight. Yes, and it's still tight. Yeah, the price action is still tight for Bitcoin. We're going to get into price action here in a minute, but it looks like our ritual just worked. It looks like it's starting to work. Let's see. Whoa, Otaku, you crazy like this? I approve. Yes. I am. I know I'm pretty nuts. All right, guys. Yes, I talk about cartoons, magic beans, therapy, and juice boxes. Late one day to therapy, and you guys turned the place into a second dungeon. Oh my God! It's called winning.
Win so much, you may.
Oh jeez. Burn that shit. Yes. We burned it, and I'm having a breakthrough. I'm feeling very prudish, downright puritanical. Jesus. Yeah, I can tell you, Ben, that there was a moment of pure euphoria in the chat. Everyone felt it. I know, especially if Milk Bunny was there, he definitely felt it. He feels it all the time. But yeah, we all felt it. It was actually pure bliss. We all forgot about what pain felt like. There's so much lube everywhere. Oh my God. It's ridiculous, guys. Ridiculous. Thanks again for contributing to the chaos. Everyone in the chat, you definitely went through the separate therapy session today. We got through it together. Maybe I won't reupholster my walls, says Ben. Oh no, it's totally worth it, man. I mean, you don't have to worry about any of the sound outside, and then you can just keep bouncing as far as you want. You can throw yourself into the walls. Rubber rooms are the best, man. Those are the best. All right, I'm going to drink a juice box, take a nap while watching Little Bear. Oh my God. Milk Money's here. Got milk. Yes. Hopefully you're still not working. Milk Money, hopefully you're off and enjoying your night. Yeah. Ben Lawrence is telling me to stop. It's probably scary stuff coming. Yeah, blood in the sheets. Okay, all right. Yes, I can see there. Pool full of lube we can swim in. Oh my God. Yep. I call it a wave pool of lube. It's all in the chat. Guys. All right, let's see where Bitcoin's going tonight. We're gonna get into some crypto chaos magic now that we are an instrument of chaos. I can show you where Bitcoin's most likely going to go. Oh, and I'm glad that at least it's honoring these ranges that we've been giving it. At least we haven't seen a full, unexpected full dump. Like, we actually can go as low as we have been predicting. We haven't gone as high as we've been predicting. We've been going mostly baseline, but let's see where we're going to go tonight. Let's see it. All right, let's start with, of course, the baseline target for Bitcoin. Baseline would be nice. It would be nice to go just sideways tonight, actually. Really would be. Let's find out. Let's zoom in and find out. As I showed you guys earlier, the tops for Bitcoin right now, the top is basically 119.5, but we have to break through 116 first in order to get out of this, downward negative, spiral, right? The spiral that we're in, down descending trend line. our parallel channel. All right, so tonight we're looking for a breakout, hopefully, of 114. All right, see if the bulls have some legs. We could take us to at least 114. So maybe a retest here, rejection, hopefully holding this trend line again, and then coming back up again for another retest around 12. Rejection, maybe a breakout, a little bit, 115, retest, rejection, retest, we break out to 115.5 maybe, and then probably a market correction down to the beginning of tomorrow's open. Pretty much a nothing kind of night. And again, this kind of gets us started for tomorrow's sell-off. This is what we've been doing now every single day. And I got to point this out too if I can find it. Usually I can spot it every single day, right at 3 p.m. of course, where the ETFs like to buy up all of our dip, right? All of our dip. This is 3 a.m. So it'll be later. It'll be later in the day. Was it here? Yep, right there. I can always find it. I can always find it right there. That is where the ETFs were bought on the backs of all of the all of the selling, right? All the selling that happened today. And the ETFs just gobbled it all back up. So again, guys, don't be selling your Bitcoin to BlackRock. Just a daily reminder. Okay, all right. Okay, so anyway, where are we headed? That's baseline target, not bear. Yes, that's baseline target tonight. We're going to look at our bear target. Right, bear target tonight is going to go a little lower. Rejection, a little earlier, right at day trading time, noonish. I would say a little earlier than that. 11 and 11:30, something like that. Retest, rejection, 11:30. We fall. We try to come back up a little bit around 1 a.m. We fall back down again, taking us to 100. Oh my God, no. I hate that happens. Let me do this again. Reclaim, rejection, reclaim, rejection, basically down to 111. Can we hold that? Can we hold it? It looks like we might, and then we fall a little lower to 109.7. That would be the bottom of the barrel. 110 is what we really don't want to see. 109.5, 109.7 is actually the actual low. And then a recovery and towards the market open. That would be our bear target for tonight. Again, follows pretty much what's been happening every night now. Boom, 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 boom. Let's hope that doesn't happen again. All right, so that's our bear target again for tonight. We're going to do a bull case scenario tonight. A bull case scenario just takes us up and out, basically. Takes us up and out of the, descending parallel channel. Hopefully get a breakout towards 119.5. That's where I want to see 119.5. That's it. That's all I'm asking for. It's not that far away. Not that far away. And of course, a sell-off and the market open. This would actually happen a little earlier. Let me draw this one more time. So something look like something like this, this, and sell off there, and the market open. I mean, that's close enough. It's still not as early as I want it to be. But I just dragged the wrong one. Yeah, there it is. That's right. Yeah, something like that. Not parabolic to the top. Whatever. It's close enough. That is our bull case scenario tonight. Again, doesn't take us that to crazy new highs or anything, just to break out and invalidate this downward spiral we've been in. Right. And then we're looking at... Oh, geez. You guys are blowing up the chat. I got to get back to the chat quick. Super Bear, of course, Super Bear target takes us down to the fire sale for Bitcoin, which is not that far away. It's only at $86,000. Oh my God, 86 trillion. $86,000 Bitcoin. That's of course the Super Bear target, which is not going to happen, never has happened. But what may happen one of these days is, again, we touch that Super Bull target, which takes us all the way up to 130,000. Why not? Why the hell not? In the morning. I would love to see that. Again, just suggesting everything to the universe. This is how Crypto Chaos Magic works. We suggest everything to the universe, and of course, I give you my take on where I most likely think it's going to take us. All right, so where are we headed into tomorrow morning? I've been saying it every single day. Baseline bull, baseline bull, baseline bull, baseline bull. I'm gonna stick with my conviction either way because we're oversold to hell. One of the kids gonna stop playing in the street. I don't know. Everyone wants to watch the world burn. I do too. It's fun. I do too. But I'm still optimistic that one day we're gonna wake up and it's gonna fly off. This is just shaking everyone out right now. This is ridiculous. All it takes is one big whale to get in, and we're moving up. We're moving up and leaving us behind. And that's why we have a lot of these. Again, we have a lot of these sell walls up, much higher. Look how thick. Look how thick and pasty 140,000 is getting. My God, we haven't even come close to that yet. Oh, there it is. I'm on the wrong screen. Look how thick and pasty that is. It's ridiculous. It's the thickest thing on the board. I mean, other than the brightest area of our most higher, strongest level of support, which is at 107,000, 108 probably. 100. Remember when we were stuck at 108 for a while? It's probably when we built that level of support. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Like it's just get frothy, and I think it's going to happen, and we're just least expecting it. So I'm still sticking with my guns. I'm still saying baseline bull, but yeah, either way, probably not going to be. It's probably going to be baseline bear again. As I said that the same thing the last 2 nights. Probably going to be baseline bear. Probably going to be baseline bear. But I have hope. I'm a perma bull too, so it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard. That's what this animal is, right? Oh, jeez. All right, guys, let's get back to the chat. More fire, says Milk Money. Thank you again for all the fire in the chat. Thank you, Milk Money. I know you feel the flames. Oh, jeez, all the lube, man. I can just feel it reading it. Every damn thing. I feel the pull for you guys, Ben, and I'm leaving. Oh, jeez. Love how your stop sign helped out our boy. Yes, caught me. Yes. Yeah, I love that Bitcoin on the traffic light now too. I'm already in. Come take a dip with me, says Greased Up Nebs guy. Oh my God. Ben Lawrence says if anyone has a reupholstered the wall, do the voices still get through? Yes, you can't stop the voices, Ben. Nothing can stop the voices, Ben. They tell you to go down the street with a knife and to start showing Elmo to people. I mean, you can't stop the voices, man. They're still going to do all the things. Things have gotten a little... Oh my God. All right, yeah, I think we definitely, this is a slippery slope, as Ramona pointed out earlier. This is definitely very chaos. Yes, our chaos, bloody, lube, dysfunctional family has nothing on Diddy. Holy crap, he's on another level. There you go. It actually came out of my mouth. I actually said it. Damn it. I was trying not to say that name. But anyway, yes, 300 roses on Craigslist. What are you, stupid? What? 300 roses. People still use Craigslist? What? Did mom just come home to pack a suitcase? Where is she? Yeah, she left with Fink earlier. Yeah, he did come back for a minute. You missed her. Ben says, Nabs, if mom please take a fake day on the ag on Craigslist to get her attention. Oh my jeez. Ben Lawrence says, not without a mother. Where will we get snacks? We go down to the store and we steal them. Come on, Ben. We did it last week. We had to do it. We have to do it again. We got to do it again. I know Deb's definitely on board. Jake has definitely gotten away with a lot of time with his claws, man. He's got very, very sneaky claws. Yeah, she is helping explain to the cops that it's innocent and fun despite the blood and lube comments. Oh my God. Oh my God. They were trying to come up with an impound of the BL's Ben's Tesla and take our birthdays away. What? You can't take our birthdays away. It's the only time of the year we get actual gifts. Come on. Dad's not around for Christmas anymore. Yeah, it seems like a slippery subject. Oh my God. No, it is. It has been. And so much fire. Thank you again, my man. Yes, and Otaku, you need a segment with a toddler and a hammer playing drums on the kitchen tile. Yes! I love it. All right, I'll work on it. Speaking of working on things, I do want to show you guys my proto on McFreedoms. I did make a new logo. I kind of like this new one, but I'm still working on it. Bitcoin coming up a little bit now, 114.45, almost trying to go up to 114.5. Where was I? Trying to close all these other things I got going on my screen. Try to pull this up while I catch up on the chat. All right, yes, Greased Up Nebs guy says Mama left when she saw Gamma. Oh, Jesus. Ramona coming in with another $5 super chat. Ramona! Thanks again for contributing to the chaos. I'm still here, but not sure you all deserve snacks. Yeah, probably not. That's why we steal them. We never get snaps. That's why we always got to steal them, Ben. Oh my god. Okay, yes. We're turning into lubed up kleptomaniacs now. Gamma, did you run out of drinks? You just like pouring? Oh my god. Oh Jesus. Takinis. Okay, yes. The mama left and she saw Gamma emptying 5-gallon jugs of KY into the pool. Yeah. I only did it so you'd sell. So you all wouldn't chafe. Oh my gosh. At least she's a very she's a very thoughtful sister, right? Oh Jesus! Someone find Diddy's lube dealer. Oh my God! Oh man, we definitely are on a slippery slope now, guys. Imagine the chaos with us slipping on the edge of the pool. Oh man, this is crazy, guys. This is nuts. This is nuts. Oh no. Okay, but can I get a puzzle for my birthday this year? With more pieces, cutting and coloring your own puzzle isn't much fun. Oh man, that's a lot of fun, Ben. That's a lot of fun. I'll just go paint on all the pieces, different colors. You'll never figure out which ones go to which. Yeah, Lizzie was one of the ones who said PP. Yes, she did. Yeah, that was Lizzie. Yeah, she said a bad word. Ramona, you gotta make sure she gets her comeuppance. Ramona fasts a lot. She teaches by withholding spaghetti and meatballs. Oh my God. Jesus, guys. You guys are insane. Insane. And this is why I love doing this, guys. It's so much fun hanging out with you guys every single day. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys, speaking of hanging out, yeah, the hangout. We're creating McFreedoms. We're bringing it to life. I'm going to have a whole different segments. The whole idea is to have a whole bunch of different segments. This is the first revision, of course, of McFreedoms. I present to you McFreedoms. Let me know what you guys think about in the chat. It's just a prototype. Haven't really. I'm not really sold on the font in general. I do like that logo. I'm trying to go for something that's kind of like McDonald's, but not like, but a little more edgy, dystopian future, more like cyberpunk-ish vibes, and of course incorporating an eagle because of freedom. Yes. I definitely think there should be more fire somewhere. Maybe flames in the logo on the bottom. I got to work on it a little bit more. But yeah, definitely coming together. I'd like to get a full menu and everything, and eat up some mottos. Let me know in the chat how you guys feel about about clowns. I was thinking about just getting some generic like a generic eagle mascot or something. Yeah, just gotta keep it real. McFreedom is fire, yes. Yeah, I'm telling you, you'll be able to start your own chain after this cycle's done, my guy. Yes. Oh man, I don't think it's punishable offense, says Ramona. Yeah, for saying pee-pee. Yeah. Pee-pee, really? She said it. She's got a potty mouth, that one. Oh my God. Oh man, we love you, Liz. We love you. You need people fighting the cashier. Yes. 100%. Oh my God. Great ideas, guys. I love you guys. I love it. Okay. I'm gonna add that to it. I'll see if I can get a scene of the cashiers getting robbed or something. Yeah, Bayheart in my face for McFreedom. I said I wanted my fries fresh out of the grease. Yeah. Oh yeah, and don't forget their motto, of course. McFreedom's Burger Index suggests inflation is heading. Oh no, where is it? Where's one of the things you're going to have here? I think I lost it. No, I think I lost it. Wasn't it what was it? Freedom's McFreedom's Burger. Damn it, I forget what it was. Burgers, nothing burgers every day. Breakfast, but breakfast all day, something like that. That was the motto, something, the tagline or something like that. I gotta remember to put that down. One of you guys said that one day, and I was like, yeah, something like that should be on the board behind the cashier. As long as I get to be a manager, says Gamma. Oh my God. Needs to be red, white, and blue, and orange. Oh. I see. Yeah, you want to incorporate some of the freedom vibes with the American flag. I gotcha. We could take a look and maybe do a red, white, and blue version as well. See how that goes. Get some more ideas from you in the chat. Flames rolling out of the kitchen. Eagle logo flying out of the flames over the moon. What the hell? Oh my God, Cliff. I'm definitely going to be doing a whole bunch more. I did not like my first round of logos. They were very much a parody to McDonald's. Like, let me see if I can still find some. I might be able to dig up one of the old ones I had. Actually, it might be on here still. There's the McDonald's logo. I forgot where it went. It might be a different page or something I had it saved to. Let's see. I know I had it here somewhere. If not, I shall find it. McFreedoms designed. Yeah. Here we go. Let's see if I can show you some of these. Again, very much a pun on. I mean, the first one was literally just the. It's so troll. Okay, yeah. Look at this, guys. Boom. Yep. Basically, McDonald's. There was one I had with an emblem. This one came up looking okay. I started working with that at first, but it ended up evolving into. More edgy for sure. All right, let's see what else we have here. That is a C story. I challenge. Oh yeah, Ramona's coming with a $5 super chat. Ramona, thanks again for the chaos. Supporting it again. Brave Heart McFreedom. Mel Gibson, painted face, yelling McFreedom. Oh my God. Yes. From Braveheart, right? Yes, from Braveheart. Oh my gosh, 100%. Why? That just went over my head. Of course, Braveheart McFreedom. It's insane. Let me put that in the notes too. My God, this is crazy ideas, guys. I love it. We're gonna have a whole bunch of different segments for this, so it's gonna be fun. I even have some sound effects already too, just like the. Just the general, beeping from McDonald's, like beep, 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 beep. The cashier and the fryer and all the nonsense, of course. And then I got a secondary track of people screaming and stuff like that. Oh man, yep. It's gonna be good, guys. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun to hang out in the, especially in the bull market when we're staying up 24/7. We need a cool hangout like this to enjoy. And I have some other segments too. I haven't brought up in a while, but yeah, this is going to be a new development. It's going to be fun. Yeah, like my old control center. It's still kind of working. It's kind of crashy. Like, I'm not sure if my computer can even handle this one anymore. Yeah, I had the crypto church. I think that's gone now. I think I deleted that. Yeah, I showed you guys that a long time ago. I don't know if I can find it on the spot, but anyway, yes. You guys are nuts. Let me get back in the chat. It says free mini bottle of lube with every adult Happy Meal. Oh my God. The freaking menu is gonna be off the chart, guys. It's gonna be off the chart. Oh my God, Gamma, that's insane. Missed you guys. The last few days. Yes, I was on road tripping with family and discussion. All things topics of cool at McFreedoms. Yes, 100%. Kevin Binkley, how's it going? Kevin, how's it going? Yeah, how's the Zbeck treating you today, these days? Hopefully you're DCAing still. What is with Tars AI and the Bitmart exchange on TradingView? Price is way higher there. How does that happen? Certain exchanges, especially on coins with low liquidity, technically sometimes the exchanges can you get like a arbitrage between certain exchanges. We see this sometimes actually between countries as well, like the kimchi price on Bitcoin versus the American price on Bitcoin in South Korea. Yeah, so it depends on the exchange, Kevin. GG, happy meal gift. Yeah. I love it. Mini lube is just enough for the edge of Neb's pool. Oh my God. I just can't get that out of my brain. People slipping into the pool because people putting lube everywhere. Oh, it's insane. It's total chaos. I love it, guys. It needs more fire. McFreedoms and fire. Yes, Milk Money. 100%. I agree with you. I 100% agree. That was my first initial reaction too on this prototype. Was it needed more fire behind the eagle. That's the C Story challenge. I challenge you to a duel. One of us has to go. Oh my gosh. I love it, guys. I definitely agree. More fire. They can't put out all the fires. Oh, dude, it's just part of the experience, right? It's part of the atmosphere, right? There's just random fires that just occur all the time. Jeez. 100% mother, 100%. Do they have the McFrib? The McFrib, all food options are also also bioengineered. Yes, all food options are bioengineered because again, it's a dystopian future. There's no more meat anymore. It's all bioengineered. Soylent Green's definitely on the menu for sure. Soylent Green, if you guys don't know, is definitely on the menu. I got to put that on the menu. Yeah, backup fool. You need big women eating their other people's hair. Oh, dude, you can definitely do that. All it takes is just one AI prompt away from making that happen. People in line eating each other's hair. God, Ben. Oh my God, we're gonna have a lot of fun at McFreedom's. Yes, we will have a lot of fun at McFreedom's. Careful, the soap dispenser might not be soap. It's all lube. Alright guys, I'm completely losing my mind now. I can't stop laughing. Oh my God, this is insane, guys. Absolutely insane. Yeah, flaming AI robots flying the food around in Bitcoin trades on Bitcoin trays. Oh my God. There's a lot of ideas here. I love it. I love it. And we could probably make every single one of them come true with the power of AI. All right, guys. With that being said, I'm happy that you guys love where Big Freedoms is headed. And again, this is just round one. I can't wait to have the full experience up. Definitely, I'm gonna have like tons of crazy clips too. I don't know if you remember all the drive-through videos where like people are jumping through the windows. One of my favorites was this black woman. She jumped through the drive-through and she literally says, "You'll never be able to handle my final form," or something like that, and she like strangles the person because they couldn't get her chicken nuggets or something like that. That was one of my favorites because she's referring to. Of course, anime, if you guys know. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, menu in Bitcoin. Yes, that would be dope. C-story. Yes, so we need someone bumming change. Yes, 100%. McFreedoms also accepts crypto for payment, 100%. Yeah, just like Steak and Shake, guys. Bitcoin's definitely accepted at McFreedoms. Jesus. Oh my God. Yes, Godzilla line cook. Godzilla as the line cook. A guy in a Godzilla costume and as a line cook. Oh my God. I'm literally copying all these things, guys. Oh my God. Oh jeez. Crazy. And then lube, more lube, and milkshake machine never works also. Of course. Of course. Wouldn't it be it would actually be amazing if everything just looked like it was a dumpster fire except for the milkshake machine. 100% operational. Oh, jeez. High C dispenser. Ooh, Ben. Yes. Gamma-Rita's on the menu. Yes. Yeah. Adult drinks. Yes. I think Braveheart did say that he did not want to serve adult drinks though. So I'm not sure if that's still on the menu or not. But yeah, High C dispenser / Gamma-Rita's. God. No milkshakes is chaos. Oh my God. Yeah, so people fiat being bounced. Yeah. We've been here for a long time. We gotta Taku get some of that in the chat and knock out. Look at the chat. Yeah, man, it's crazy, man. In martini glasses, of course, 100% martini glasses, 100%. All right, guys, it is 10 o'clock now. We are still in the sleep zone, so we're not in this no sleep zone just quite yet. We are going to go. We are going to go into Mick Pump Time. What is Mick Pump Time, Spence? That one caught me off guard. Mick Pump Time. Not sure what that is. We gotta let you use some of the lube in the chat. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Kevin Blakely coming in with a $5 super chat. Thank you, Kevin. He's of course thanking me for the answer. I should go sell my Thai Tars AI for 13 cents. Yeah, maybe. I'm not sure where Tars is right now or where it's headed. Let me take a look at the chart real quick before I head out. Let's see what's going on with Tars. Tars AI, right? TAI. That's on Bybit. There's on MEXC, Tars AI protocol. There we go. MEXC, of course, is the place to be. I miss MEXC. I love MEXC. When it was in America, it was great. Okay. Right. We got my trends lines back up. Let's zoom on out and see what's going on with this chart. Yeah, it's basically hanging out at the bottoms, the newest bottom, I guess. It ran all the way down like everything else did back in April, and then of course it's been consolidating upwards. So yeah, it's still looking good, still looking bullish. Sitting at 6 cents right now. You're talking about selling at 13. 13 would be the beginning of the breakout. You could sell there and wait for a pullback and buy back in if that's your plan. That would be, again, not a bad plan. It's going to be trading in here for a while still. So again, unless something major happens and we break to the upside and retest that, we could be there for a while, see a pullback and then a breakup. So yeah, you could buy back in. Of course, we get a consolidation and a pullback. Again, it's an idea. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you what to do. And I also know how much of you're married to this bag too. If you're in it to win it, just get some cash in and out, you're good to go, man. This will probably play out in your favor. If you want to do that, roll into some other coins. I'm sure there's going to be tons of other options to swing by the time we run that up there as well. All right, so that's what's going on with TARS AI. It's been a minute since we looked at that chart too. We had some other highs on here too. We peaked all the way up to there. What was that? 24 cents. Damn, we didn't quite get that peak though. We were hoping for it. And we were, of course, talking about that length of that pull. From the breakout, and this is basically looking like a cup and handle back here. That's the last time we looked at this chart. It's been a while. It's been a minute since June. Since about June. All right, guys. So that's all I got for you tonight. Hopefully you had a good time. I know I had a great time, and I love hanging out with you guys, and we're gonna have a lot more fun in the future. I got to prepare for tomorrow's, bunker inspection. That's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun tomorrow. Oh man. Ramona coming on the $2 super chat saying it's a real token. Look it up. Oh wait, what is a real token? I gotta get back in the chat and see what's going on. Doodle banana. Big milkshake for a little time. Mom's on some shit tonight. She's is with all the bullshit. What? I think we broke mother. What? What did Ramona say? There is a 69 token on Beam. They call it a naughty privacy token. What? That's insane. Where did you find it, mother? Well, she did say it's on CoinMarketCap, so it's listed on Beam, so it's on the Beam network. We can go to CoinMarketCap real quick. You can find out what address and everything it's trading on, what exchanges. CoinMarketCap, we're looking at, I already forgot what the name of the token was. Oh my God. It's a naughty token. 69, yeah. 69. 69. It's on Beam. I think that's the one. These are Solana, so I'm assuming it's this one. 69. It's not giving me it's not giving me the normal information. Let me look at CoinGecko. I'm not sure why it does this sometimes. 69. It's not listed here. That's weird. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure what's going on with that coin. But obviously it's a meme coin. I mean, either that or they're going to start selling it at the adult stores near you. Jeez. Oh my God. I literally typed in 60 coin. Okay. 699999 coin. All right. 69 coin. The Coin Brain? I never heard of Coin Brain. Yeah, I'm not going there. Oh my God. What the hell? Yeah, I can't even look it up, guys. Coinbase. Oh God, is it listed on Coinbase? I really don't want to go there either. Oh Jesus. SPX 6900. There's that. 69 coin stats. We can take a look at coin stats. Okay. Markets. No data. This is weird, guys. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure what's going on with that coin. Yeah, Coinbase Wallet. It's in Coinbase Wallet? What? That's insane. If you say I said Neb's room, I'd believe you, but Coinbase? Yes, 100% net zoom. That's where you'd find 69 coin. If you it's about time you showed up. Give him a micro bottle of lube. GG, please and thank you. Yes, the lube pool is definitely going to be a thing of the past. We cannot have the lube pool every single night on the stream. Only for the absolute worst times. And like today, we definitely had a breakthrough with that lube. We had it. We had to have it for that breakthrough. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Spencer says, TA McDLT project. Is that BLT or DLT? Probably have to Google it. I heard it's cooked. Never heard of it, Spence. We're cracked, but that's okay. Yeah, we definitely have cracked tonight. Spence, your McFreedom meal is ready with a bottle of mini lube. Yes. It's every adult Happy Meal. Jesus. Spence, welcome to the Doom. Yeah, the Doom Club. Yes, Grease Move. I cannot believe you changed your name to that. That's how this whole thing started, because of you, Nebs. Because of you, all greased up tonight. God. Oh, man. You said something at the beginning of the live stream. I forget exactly what it was. But it was the thing that started the lube pool and everything. It's because of all the pain. Welcome, Spence. Yeah, if you cover yourself with lube, you cannot feel pain. I'm telling you. It's been proven tonight. Welcome, Spence. Yes, I guess we aren't blocking websites anymore. I guess not. I just try not to click on everything. We'll see. Boom, more Doom. Yes, does Spence get a wrench? Of course Spence get a wrench. Well, what? Spence doesn't have a wrench. Oh my gosh. Does Spence want a wrench? I will give him a wrench. Everyone, of course, gets a wrench before we get to 1,000 subs, guys. 1,000 subs. Of course, to beat the chaos to death with a wrench. Again, thanks again for participating on Wicked Wrench Wednesday. Wrecked Wrench Wednesday? More of a Wrecked Wrench Wednesday day, more or less. Most assets got wrecked today. Yes, we're literally at the bottom of the barrel over here. I'll leave my lube out next time. I got you, Otaku. I don't know if it's even possible now, man. He keeps singing goodbye horses and dancing under the moon. yeah. Like I said, guys, every single day it's hard to say goodbye. It's hard. I mean, you guys are like the closest thing I had to family right now. It's insane. I love you guys. McFreedoms, we encourage you to tread on slippery slopes. Oh my god. And put Spence in a timeout. Wrench drunk. Yeah, go get wrench drunk. Jeez. Yeah, you're just joking. I got you. Spence has got a wrench. Yes, Spence has got a wrench. Brave McFreedom says, yeah, quick, give Spence a wrench. Wrecked Wrench Wednesday. Yes, not enough lube. I think there was plenty. Plenty to go around, everybody. There's plenty to go around. Wrench. We got it, guys. All right, I am going to call it at that. We are going to see you, of course, tomorrow morning with the morning open. We're going to catch a wave of lube. Oh my god. No more waves of lube in the chat. All right, yeah. We're going to, of course, catch you guys in the morning. He said wrench, yes. Oh my gosh. Yes, we're going to catch you guys tomorrow morning. I can't even leave, guys. It's hard. All right. Yes, Milk Money with the wrenches in the chat. 100%. All right. I gotta go. I love you guys. Have a great night. And of course, don't do anything stupid before the, what is this? What animal is this again? I keep forgetting what the frick they call these things. All right, guys, later.
Fly me to the moon, let me trade among the stars. Let me see what freedom's like without money and gold bars. In other words, hold my king. Oh! In other words, let's make history. Oh! Fill my wallet with more coins and let me bottle forever more and more and more and more and more. I'm on board. Hollywood shop in a door. In other words, I choose you. In other words,
Guys, I'm gonna need a shower after tonight, guys. 100%. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace. And peace.